still find you.
Man, this is a big one, guys. This is a big one, man. You know what's funny is Crypto Face. You guys said that to me last time, and I messaged him, and he's kind of been, you know, hitting me up lately a lot, and we talked about this in the last stream. He, when you are successful, people will. When you're successful, you want the best for others. He's checking up on me, and he's proud of me, and it's so full circle to hear that from somebody that you like. Yes, I'm inspired by and I look up to. Absolutely. Why wouldn't you? So I'm just, man, like Nexus new, man. Hello everybody, good evening. 7:13 p.m. EST here. January 13th. I hope that we are all happy, healthy, wealthy. Nexus new. And we're here to talk about a few things. But thank you for the compliment. You know, being called Crypto Face. I hope one day that I have his level of trades. '26 is the year of the dragon. And yeah, I mean, shit. We're here, we're long. And we're going to look for new trades. If we can take them, we're going to look for them. But today's a big deal for me. Today's a very big deal for me. For two reasons. It's a very big... And I'm going to go over the trade here in a moment. But there's two reasons why this is a very important trade for me. Number one, for the very first time ever... No, it's not the year of the horse. It's the year of the dragon. For the very first time ever... I had a single trade P&L that was 6 digits. And that already is crazy to fucking say, right? Now that trade is this trade. You can see I took profit. I'm no longer in a $3.5 million long. And that does not equate now to 100K. But nonetheless, I saw this at one point, which is crazy to me. I started working for $9 an hour Canadian. No, guys. You're not listening to me, guys. This is the year of the dragon. I changed it. And I'm going to have a video about why it's the year of the dragon. Later. Maybe tomorrow. Year of the dragon. Anyway. So. We're going to go over the trade. I hope you guys are doing well. But this is a big deal because number one, it's my first 6-figure. It's definitely a milestone. But number two, 2 weeks ago or a week before, like in January 9th or January 4th, I hit another 100K P&L, but across multiple trades. So now this is replicatable. Now that I've done it twice, it wasn't lucky the first time. So I'm going to do a trade recap. We're going to hang out. You know, I've said on the channel that I'm bullish for quite a while, okay? Contextually, it made absolutely zero sense for the market to go down at all whatsoever. And, you know, I can proudly say that the Nexus knew. I mean, we have been longing this entire move, and I have not been bearish. And I learned from the 74K range, which we talked about in the last live stream. And you know, I'm just super blessed. I'm super blessed. I'm super blessed. Super blessed. Nexus new. We've been long. We've been strong. We've been holding it. We've been talking about 96K. We've been talking about how everybody's wrong. Everybody was bearish. Nope. We invalidated the Model 1 distribution on the daily time frame on Bitcoin. We invalidated it. This. There were other smart trader groups. 1, 2, 3. That were calling sub 74K because of this. Well, those people that are in that specific group perhaps should have joined the Nexus, because we've been talking about it for a long time. Long time. 96K. In fact, let me show you. I actually, this morning, watch this, said, look at this. Every single drawing I did today played perfectly. Every single one. And it's not always like that. Here I said, look, the Nexus kind of was against me today. Geo, shorts against me. Or shorts are ganging up against you. And I said, bring it on. It won't end well for them. Happy 96K. This morning, 7:53. Good morning. Happy 96K day. No, I'm not in the Solana long anymore. No, I wish I was. I'm not. These are all my positions. The Bitcoin one, I'm primarily just in Bitcoin right now. And I took a little bit of this and I took some profits out of this shit. I don't care though, man. I'm happy today. I hit my 96K. In the last stream, we've been talking about 96K. Anyway, we'll see if we can take a few trades here. 99x with that margin is crazy. Why don't I tell you to enter with me? Because that's not my job. But I tell the Nexus what I'm doing. Geo laid rest of perma bear Geo and is now a perma win trader. Yeah, man. I don't care about perma bull or perma bear. I care about perma profitable. 2026, year of the dragon. Shouts out to Kenny. So, yeah, I mean, let's see if we can find some trades, and then we'll do some trade recaps if you guys want. The Bitcoin trade is kind of a masterpiece. So what I can tell you right now, before we go over the trade recap, is we're forming a range. I do not think this wick is the top. Okay, I do not think that is the top. I do think we're going to go back up. But the question is, when do we go back up and how far down do we go before we go back up? And I don't know the answer to that question. But what I will say is that I will look for longs down here. And I guess I will look for shorts anywhere up here, but I don't really want to short it just yet. But I'll definitely short if we come up here. So in terms of our alerts, we need 2 alerts right now. We need 1 on the high, and we need 1 on this low, and I do not care about anything else in between. Okay. Easy peasy. Now we wait. That's it. That is it. Now we wait. Okay. Very high volume level that we're in right now. We've had this drawn out on the chart for a long time, and now I can do high time frame redo my high time frame analysis. Okay. I'm a little bit like at a loss for words of how crazy today was for me. But we can go over the trade recap here. So what trades did I take? How could you have entered those trades? And, you know, what could it have looked like for you? Easy. Okay, pretty easy. So let's back up a little bit. Should we do a trade recap now? I'll do it. You know what? I'm going to do a YouTube video on the trade recap because this was truly a masterclass. So I'm not going to do a trade recap now. Let's see if we can take new trades now. How about that? Don't get me wrong. The 100K is cool. It's really cool. I'm very grateful. But yesterday's money was yesterday's money. Not that it was yesterday, it was today, but you get the idea. The daily candle, yesterday's money was yesterday's money. So let's make money today. So I'll do a stream recap on I'll make a YouTube video if you guys want it. If you guys want to see a stream recap Drop some tree emojis in the chat and I'll do it for you guys tomorrow. Let's see if we can get into new trades though. I will look for longs here. So this is an idea. This is an idea right there. I don't want this thing in my face. So this is an idea. This is an idea. All longs target that wick. And if we sweep, so if we sweep this low, there's an idea. If we hit this, there's an idea. Okay, yeah, something like this. So now we wait. Thanks to the Nexus, I passed my 12 funded today. Thank you to Drew for the 100% win rate. Yeah, I don't do signals, and it's not 100%. What's in 8 minutes? Do we have something in 8 minutes? Geo millionaire yet? Hopefully soon, brother. Hopefully soon. Take a look at Ethereum. ETH loves breaker blocks. Like, ETH loves breaker blocks. We are in a short zone on ETH. We are definitely in a short zone on ETH. We do have an SMT between Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. So we could be approaching a significant high. You know, I'm not quite convinced yet that we are bearish yet. Like, I'm not ready to short the farm yet, but this is, we have serious contention of this being like a really very important lower high to then make your next lower low. And I am no financial advisor, by the way. Shouts out to Alex Crypto. All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. As an income at 5 and 2 the quarter one, VC non-financial advisor. Crypto scam, making money online as possible. Google is really there's a 5-year discussion is advised. So I'm no advisor by any stretch of an imagination. But if you have not reconsidered your exit strategy, if you were just taking a nuke on all the alts, I encourage you to at least reconsider your exit strategy now, because this could be a serious lower high to make a lower low. Okay, let's see if I can get somebody in here. Oh, nobody's in here. All right. My friends are going to come and join the chat. The stream, I mean. All right, so Asia's open. Ethereum loves breaker blocks. USDT hasn't hit my... Well, it hit my target, but it didn't hit the order block yet, which is why I think we're going to come up and take the high again. And this is an important zone. I think maybe we could get something like this and then range here. Yeah, let me see if I can find a trade on ETH. I don't really like ETH though right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. There's nothing about this that screams trade me right now. Yeah, it's not really great. Not really great. I don't think I would trade ETH here personally. Let's check other things. Wow, Sol touched. Oh, I forgot to. Sol didn't hit my target yet. Sol did not hit my target yet. So actually, we might have a Sol long. Okay, we're gonna watch Sol. We're gonna watch Sol. We're gonna watch Sol. Sol. Oh. 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 Oh, 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 no, 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 no. Solana. 3-hour breaker on ETH. Let's put an alert here. Actually, I'm okay with it as long as it even just sweeps out the low that we just put in earlier. Anywhere there, now that if we sweep that, I'm cool. So we'll put an alert there. And I'm not shorting Sol, no fucking way. Okay, let's check. What did you say? ETH, right? 3-hour breaker. Yeah, that's the one that I have drawn. So I'll watch it. I mean, I don't really want it to come back that far. If I do, I think it's going to be a lower high. I think this could be a 1. This could be a 2. And I think ETH's high could be in. I don't think Bitcoin's is. No, 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 no. So Sol is the one right now. Look at this trade, man. Sol is definitely the one right now. Oh, 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 oh. Joe, can I please give you the ID, the track I played in the intro? There you go, my friend. Enjoy. It is a banger. Who's that? Jabs?
Jabs.
Trader Jabs. All right, hold on. Okay, talk.
Yo.
Okay, cool. We should be good. They can hear you now.
Oh, hello.
Yo, today was crazy, dude. But Sol is most likely going to 155. I agree with that. Let's see if we can get into a Sol.
Does my mic thing sound good? I'm on my Mac. I have no idea.
Yeah, you're good.
Who's texting me?
Bro, today was crazy, dude.
Oh, I know.
Like, it's so wild to me that 2 weeks ago, my numbers were like low 5 digits at best. And now it's like 6 figures for the second time. That shit's so crazy to me.
It's up. Year of the Dragon.
You see, I wasn't fucking around when I said Year of the Dragon.
Yeah, I'd say.
Yeah, I'm gonna go take a piss real quick. I'll be back. You can talk to them. Tell them that they're beautiful.
Hello, you guys are beautiful. Dude, it is so fucking... let me know, does anyone else's grandparents in here keep their fucking house at like 90 degrees? Because I'm telling you right now, I'm suffering. Like, holy fuck, bro. I got the fan on, no shirt. I'm about to open every fucking window in here. Yeah, see, that's crazy. Don't even have an AC unit. Yeah, bro, that shit is fucking... I'm like...
I've been quiet for so long. All right. Let's see if we can get into a trade here. I would like to. Actually, I'm cool. I don't even need Solana to take the low. I would rather. Well, not I would rather, but I don't need it to. I will still long this if I see. Actually, we have bullish OI. Your trade could be right there. This could be your trade right here.
Hold on.
Oh my days, that could be your trade right there. What is that? 7 risk to reward right there. Let's check USDT. I'm a little bit late because I didn't get to like properly, like, I was in the bathroom for that. Let me see this shit. Let's see what this looks like. So my mid time frame target got hit. That's easy. Next is new. Easy peasy.
Shit.
Are you like trading right now? Not trading, but like at your computer?
Yeah. I'm on the charts, guy.
Let's see what happens here. I didn't take any trade, but I will if I see what I want to see. Which I don't yet, so I didn't take anything. Yeah, let's see.
Cardano is fucking up pretty good.
I'd rather it take the low, but it doesn't have to. Actually, really doesn't have to.
Did you see it or no?
See what?
Are you still... You're not in a Cardano long, are you?
No.
It went up like mad today.
Yeah, I mean, everything did. Bro, you know what? Like, there was... When I had the 100K last week, everything was... Yeah, you know, I round tripped like fucking, I don't remember how much I was up, like 120 or something. And I round tripped like 70K, or I was up like 180 or something, 170, and then I round tripped like 70K. So when that happened, like a lot of the alts got closed, you know, I should have just closed it, but anyway, it's okay.
Well, I mean, that's the thing. Like, you got in at 122 and you said my price target on Sol is 150, and here we are.
I know, but like, see, the thing with me, like here's the thing, bro. Here's the thing. Okay, here's the thing with me. I've been a permabull for the last little while, to the point where I've been unable to be objective, and I've been unable to I've been unable to like take trades in both directions because I was just so certain that we were going to 96K, right? I was so certain about it, and I was right. And so, you know, some of the alts kind of like took a bath too. But here's the thing, is that I've been like on a rampage, right? Oh, there we go. The low's gone. Okay, that's good. This looks better now. I've been on a rampage, and now that I'm freed of 96K, like now I don't have to worry about 96K anymore. Now that I'm free of it, it's gonna be fucking GG's. Like I'm not gonna be taking swing trades and shit. Like fuck that, man. I'll just take a long, cut it. Take a short, cut it. Like lick it and stick it, you know?
Love it.
So like I'm telling you, man, if the market makers have been mad at me for the last, you know, 2 weeks, they're gonna be so pissed now that I'm free of the 96 fucking stupid shit.
Yep.
Bro, do I feel like the high must go again? I don't think it has to go, but it can go. It can go. I think shorts are now acceptable, though. I think prior to this, shorts were not acceptable. But now shorts are acceptable.
All right. Yeah, there's really no fucking distribution up here at all either. So what the fuck?
Yeah, I think we're gonna take the high out again for sure.
Yeah, I agree.
I can't say for sure. I don't think for sure we're gonna take out the high, but okay, I'm not saying we are going to for sure take out the high. I think for sure we could take out the high again. Like I'm not saying we're gonna take it out for sure.
Bro, I am so fucking shit at trying to use TradingView on this thing.
On your Mac?
Yeah, like I don't know how to do it. Whatever, I don't even care. Fuck them.
I think that this could be a long here soon, if not that right there. That looks not bad so far. Baby, you're like lightning in a bottle. I can't wait.
Can't wait to fucking be home tomorrow. Long ass drive. Are you gonna be on the call or what? Cause
wow, my profits are dying right now. I don't know, man. To be honest, I told the Nexus if we get to 90, like the day we get to 96K, I'm taking the next day off. So.
Oh. Well, you can still be on the fucking thing.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see.
I'll just talk to myself.
What the hell? Mexi's like so laggy right now. Why is it so laggy right now? Shit's like bugging. Anyway, Phoenix is probably gonna come in here soon, in a little bit.
He's streaming in Jay's, I think.
Yeah, he's gonna come when he's done. I'm definitely looking a long Sol right now, though. It'll look like this, something like this.
That looks good.
Yeah, up to here.
Yeah, I'm like fucking 30 seconds behind though, guy.
Oh yeah, hold on. Let me share my thing. Let me share my screen. So how was the trip overall? Good?
Great, yeah. Had a blast.
Was it worth it?
Yeah, I had fun. I mean, I'm not burned, but I mean, kind of a shit time to leave, you know. But fuck it, bro. At least I got through the whole Christmas holidays shit without trading, you know.
Oh, you mean shit time to leave like that?
No. No, I mean like it was just like, you know, because we've been so dialed, and then I just dipped, which, you know, I did have it pre-planned.
Yeah, whatever, man.
anyways.
It is what it is. The market's always going to be here.
I know.
The
I'm
beautiful
not
thing about
losing
you
focus.
being gone for however many days you've been gone for is that the market is here to the day you get back. Like tomorrow, we do the same shit every day. You know what I mean?
I hear you.
Like we just
I
run it
know.
the fuck back. Okay, if
That's
this
it.
if Sol here hits our supply, which it just did, reacts off of it, and then breaks above, any reconfirmation is a long. In my opinion. And if you did long this, when I said, I'm not saying you should have, and I'm not telling you to long, and I'm not saying you, Jabs, I'm speaking to the chat. If you did take this long, then I, you know, don't lose it. Like, you're already
Do
up,
the
what, 2R
disclaimer.
on that? 2 risk to reward? Bro, this is the most fun. Like, when there's volatility, I fucking adore volatility. When it's slow, like,
You can't handle it.
I can't handle it.
All right.
I cannot handle it when it's slow like that. I just fucking can't handle that shit. Can't handle that. I'm de-risked on this, by the way, guys. Chat, de-risked
Oh, you
on that.
took it.
Yeah, of course.
Now, do they give you 0 fees on fucking thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
On Sol only or no?
No, a few altcoins have.
Oh,
Why doesn't it show my entry on this PNL thing? Oh, there we go.
all right. Let me look. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Moon it. 20x.
Yeah, because I have like fucking 90 or 100k now in MEXC. I have like
1%?
100k now, like just floating. Like, so if I'm on my 99x, like I have to move the slider so low. So the 20 gives me, you know, more room now.
He mooned.
So yeah, guys, my stop's already at break even. Like, there's no way I'm losing this trade. Maybe we just hit a fucking, what is this? 21 risk to reward trade on stream for you guys. Maybe, perhaps. Let's see. See how
This
it
could
goes.
just be the little Asia, you know, dump and then moon it.
Yeah, I don't think we're done.
Nope.
Personally, I don't think we're done.
I agree with you.
What's up, guys?
At Trader Jet. Absolutely no liquidity above, 0. That's not true, bro. It's not true. Not true. There's a lot of liquidity above. And you have to remember that when liquidity is taken, like, it is undeniable that liquidity has been taken now, finally. There's more liquidity, right? Like, that gets generated, I mean. So even here, like, we swept these highs before, and then on this move down, there's so much liquidity that is generated above you. So on the 1 month counter flow, I don't know what counter flow. You mean on the 1 month there's no liquidity above? Or I'm counter trending or counter trading? Is that what you mean? I don't really know what you meant by that, but I'll answer. I just don't know. I think we're probably gonna come to... Did we hit the 50% level yet? Okay, I was gonna say 50% of the candle. Maybe we go 50% of the body. 100k. I kind of like 102. I like 102 to 104. I think we're gonna go there. I don't know, but I like 102 to 104. Similar to Binance heat map. Oh, okay. I don't really use that, so maybe you're right. Do I think 107? I think we can go to 107, yeah. I definitely think we can go to 107. It's not like out of the cards for me. Like, I'll tell you this right now, and I could be wrong, but right now, all-time high is out of the cards for me. Like, I just don't see any.
I agree.
Yeah, I completely agree.
I see zero way we go to all-time high from here. Like, literally zero. But I could be wrong. Maybe I am wrong.
The absolute highest I could even conceive of is like 111.
Yeah, 111 is huge. If we get above 111, I do think we will go to all-time high. If we go to 111, I think we'll go 111, 120, and then back test to like 115, and then we go all-time high from there. If you can get above, but you have to get above 111. Like, if you 111, getting above 111 to me means 116, and then it means 120.
Yeah. I was watching Phoenix for a little bit. He was saying something about how if we take the high again, it could just be like tap 2 of a bigger distribution.
Yeah.
You get what I mean?
Yeah.
And that would be a
You mean all-time high?
Disaster. Yeah, like all-time high, but then go up.
Yeah,
and it's like
I was on phone with Phoenix while I was at the gym like 2 hours ago, and we were talking about this. I was saying if this is tap 1 and this whole thing is tap 2, and we do come up for tap 3, which is technically possible.
Model 1.
What was that?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Yeah.
So if this happens, and let's just say it does this, right? That means you have all this liquidity now. If your tap 3 turns into a PO3,
oh my God, forget it.
I'm not joking when I tell you this. I'm being literal when I tell you this. I think if what you see right now on the screen happens, and it could, I'm not saying it can't. If this happens, I genuinely think, I'm not joking, I swear to God, I think we're taking out 15K. If this happens, I think we're taking 15K out.
I don't see that happening though. I don't think we can get that high.
Bro, you never know. Like, here's the catalyst. Let me tell you why I think this could happen. I don't think it will, but why I think it could. It's okay. No, I don't think it will. It's too soon for me to say that it will. Here's why I think it could happen. You guys know how I feel about Bitcoin, okay? You guys know that I don't think Bitcoin is the future. I don't believe in it. I think it's Mickey Mouse, whatever, okay? Put my feelings to it aside. We're on the brink of war. You know, we're on the brink of a global financial collapse. I think, and I've been very clear about this, I think that we're in the 20s, but 100 years ago, or 100 years later. So I think that the 30s is going to be the Great Depression. Okay? I think that's going to be the Great Depression. Which, if that happens, like, Bitcoin hasn't seen a recession, right? This sets up a huge dump. And you guys know that I think that what was I gonna say? I don't remember what I was gonna say. But if that happens, yeah, I could see 15K. Oh, and you guys know that I think that the 4-year cycle is over. I think that we're gonna actually, it's funny, everyone's like super cycle. I think we're gonna have a super bear cycle, but I don't think that's gonna be right now. Maybe we do have a super bull cycle. Like, maybe the next year or two is continued bull run, or the bull run that everybody wants and catches everybody off guard. But if you get a PO3 here, and your PO3 is your top 3, I'm not joking. I think we're coming down to here.
In my opinion, I don't think 4-year cycle's done. I think we've done exactly what 4-year cycle always does.
I know, but you don't know that it's not done until it does what it isn't supposed to do. So, like, right now we're following the 4-year cycle, which means we're in, like, as per the 4-year cycle, we're technically in a bear market right now.
Mm-hmm.
But what if we do have a super cycle and we get what I just drew? Like, if we go to all-time high again, then we're not in a bear market.
I'm just saying that's the what if. I'm just saying everybody keeps saying 4-year cycle's dead, but we've played to it exactly. So it can't be dead
People aren't saying the 4-year cycle is dead, are they?
Somebody in chat, somebody just said it. I've heard it all the time. And I mean, even what you mentioned, people saying super cycle, no more 4-year cycle, blah, blah, blah.
Well, they say that every year, though. I think this time people are expecting a bear market. I think everybody thinks it's a bear market now. Maybe I'm
is.
wrong. I don't know. Anyways, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We take it level for level anyways. You know, doing macro predictions like this, I don't care who you are. Like you know, there's no way to know, right? There's absolutely no way to know.
You can only go off history, and then if it deviates, it deviates. You know.
I'll tell you this. On like I've been saying that the 4-year cycle is over since 2.5 years ago. So, like, I'm not a bandwagon here.
You are
bandwagon. Anyways, fuck the macro shit. Who cares, bro? Let's just make money, man. Yesterday's money was yesterday's money. Let's make money today. I'm sick of it, bro. Let's make money. Who cares what happens? Fuck the Bulls and fuck the Bears. How about that?
That's usually how it goes.
We'll see. We shall see. We shall see. Guys, we have 220 people in here. And we have, I don't even know how many likes. How many likes do we have in here? And we have 68 likes. Do me a favor. And if, and only if, you like me and you like my face, please hit the like button for me. My goal is to have as many subscribers this year as I do in P&L today, which is 100K. Crazy to say. But that is my goal. So, you know, your like goes a long way and I really, really appreciate it. Let's see if we can get into a trade here. Another one. Not another one, but manage our trade correctly. Because we're kind of going a little bit against us right now. We don't like it. We do not like it. No, it's O. This level should hold. So this is your breaker. Your Solana long. This should hold. We should not need to come back down for this low now. We should not need to.
all right. I have a question. Why don't you just do this real quick? Because I think it would be good anyways for... Because I know a lot of people, you know, like this is a very big FOMO event, right? I mean, me personally, I'm good, but I know some people are like, oh my God, I missed the best trade ever, blah, you know. So I think it would be good. Like, why don't you go, like I just looked at the 4 hour, like, you know, we had that break of structure up.
On what, on Biddy?
Why don't you like find some zones for the people on like the 4 hour for like a good rim C back up or something, like, you know, and just
I'll tell you the problem with that. The problem with that is I don't know. Like, okay, you know that I've been a perma bull lately and I've been saying 96K is coming. I've invalidated the Model 1 distribution from what, like 40 days ago now?
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
The problem is that depending on what happens here will determine what the levels are. I can tell you right now, there is absolutely nothing in this entire leg. So if you get any deep retracement here, if you get any deep retracement here, you're very likely coming for this low. And if you do come for the 90K, 89K low, look at what you have below that. Right?
Yeah.
So obviously this could pull back. I'm not saying it can't. But if it does, it's more bearish and it changes your ID. Like it kind of invalidates this. Like the PO3 idea that I had and I talked about on the channel so long ago. This, right? This was drawn out from look how I drew it out almost perfectly. Right? It kind of invalidates that if you start to come and back test it now. So your question is, you know, you're saying give the people something that they could rim C. I'm not rim C'ing this. There's no way I'm rim C'ing this. If anything, this is what you look for. We hopefully we come up a little bit more. We trade the range that's up here with the bias that you could have a huge PO3 and all these people could get wrecked and we can go to 74K. Because yes, we can go for 74K. So this is what I'm looking for now. I'm not a perma bear right now. I'm definitely not a perma bull anymore. I've been a perma bull for 45 days. I am definitely not a perma bull right now. I am as neutral as can be. And if I have to lean one way, I still lean a little bit more bullish right now, but I am like very well prepared for this. You know, whereas before, for example, this morning, if you watch the Nexus stream, I was telling them, I'm like, guys, like, I don't even see a short. There's no way I could even imagine a short right now. Right? So we'll see. Like, I don't have a rim C long right now. If you come down, there's nothing down here. Maybe if you want one, maybe here, but I don't even like that because that invalidates the idea of it being a PO3. I'll super chat instead of liking because you're not my real dad and you can't tell me what to do. Shouts out to Andrew. Thank you. Appreciate you.
I think that PO3 idea is probably the best idea right now.
100%, man. And this was drawn out for the Nexus. And on YouTube, I talked about it like so fucking long ago. This was like 40 days ago. 40 days ago, man. I'm 40 days ahead of the market makers. Okay.
Yeah.
You're sticking to your 102? I like 102, bro. I really do. My favorite zone is 102 to 104. That's my favorite zone. I personally think inflated prices in stocks and assets is just inflation being priced in. It's all about purchasing power. BTC worth 1 million, but still buys the same physical at 100. Yeah, that's true. Shouts out to Joe. Yeah, I think the same. Draw the uptrend on the weekly chart. What if we retest now the anchored VWAP? Yeah. Oh wait, anchored VWAP from where? Anchored VWAP which anchored VWAP did he talk about? This one on the low?
I think from the high, brother.
No, I think he was saying and then up. So I know he had 2 anchored VWAPs up here. And this is what I have my eye on, by the way. Is this here. So we hit one of them. Interesting. This is... We'll see. Are these the ones that he has drawn? I don't know. How can you take the White Phoenix course? He has it for sale, bro. It's on Jason's website. I don't have the exact link. Go to like jasoncaspertrading.com, I think. You can do that. All right, how's Soul doing? Soul's doing all right. Like I said, it doesn't make sense for us to lose this low. So far so good. I think my stop loss is now going to go there. So my stop is now, not only is it am I fully de-risked, but I am now stop loss is in profit. Here we go. This was the trade that I took, up 1,500 bucks. Not bad. Not bad. You have the Jason Casper course. I have a course too, by the way. If you feel like you want to join, come and join. Phoenix supports it, so he's going to be joining us here on stream whenever he's done at Jace. So. Yeah, bro, I have the whole thing. So I don't know if you know, but you know, Phoenix kind of been kicking it in the Nexus lately, and included in your membership in the Nexus, you get my Nexus trading course. So, and a lot of it is derived off of his stuff. You know, I've given credit where credit's due. I don't steal like some people do. But everything that you need, in my opinion, is here. And you get a network that goes with it. You get access to myself. You get access to my streams. You get access to my TA, my real-time updates. And you get access to him, funny enough. So, oh, wow. Look at that. I'm about to get taken out. I'm about to get taken out.
On what, Bitcoin?
No, on Solana. No, Bitcoin, I'm still like way good. But I'm going to manage this. Like, I'm not going to round trip. Worst case, I'll just take profit on my Bitcoin long and I'll find a new trade. I don't mind.
Yeah. Oh, Zcash is up 2%. Classic. Dude, that shit is weird, bro. I don't know why it does that.
Yeah, like trades like the opposite.
Yeah, it's like dominance. Oh hell, dominance.
My Sol long survived, by the way.
Where have I been? Fuck.
You watched me grow with Casper and Phoenix over the years. You want to do the same? Man, I had a whole Nexus stream today. Let me show you. I actually think I really outdid myself on this one. I'm very proud of this one. But I had a Nexus stream today, which we called an evolution stream. And man, this one, guys, I'm going to post this on the public YouTube for you guys tomorrow. But I just sat and I talked to the Nexus, and man, like this shit was powerful. And so if you're looking to grow the way that I have, you know, we'll talk about it all here. $9 Canadian an hour. For years. And I'm up $70,000.
What's up with the new
today,
camera
US
angle,
That's
guy?
100,000 Canadian. Do you like it or no?
Yeah.
When I was my full-time salary working at the
I
bank,
mean,
I was
think
making $50K.
for the did you switch your whole shit around or wait, what happened?
Yeah, I did. 2 years.
So now it's
9 to 5,
now you're like
5 times a week,
backwards.
40 hours. Now I'm like before I had the wall behind me. Now I'm like facing the wall.
Why? You're just...
I don't know. I get bored of shit, man. I need to move shit around and whatever. You know, I get super bored of shit.
Fucking hilarious, bro.
That's how I am.
Bro, I've moved my desk around here like 6 trillion times. I'm not even joking.
I'm rearranging my whole room when I get home. Fuck it.
Yeah, I was already planning on doing it.
All right, so this is the thing. Fuck, I don't really know how I would though. Guess I could.
Man, I can't wait to be a perma bear again. I can't wait to short this shit.
Soon, bro. Soon.
I can't fucking wait to short it, man, because nobody's gonna expect it. I can't wait, dude. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I can't wait.
Dude, I think podcasts kind of like streams that you do are so goated.
Yeah, they get really fun sometimes. When we have a lot of us in here, it gets really good. It gets really nice.
Once I get home, I can like turn my camera on and start doing
Yeah. So far, so good. Cause it's a heart. What brand are the blue light glasses? Let me see. Amazon.ca. I got it on Amazon. Hold on. Let me just check my previous orders. Glasses. Here you go, bro. I'll send you the link. Hopefully me sending you the link doesn't accidentally leak. Oh, shit. Okay, hold on. This is the link for my glasses. Okay, Crypto Lifer, $100, says congrats on the win. Too many more for you. God bless. Thank you, Mr. Crypto Lifer. I appreciate it. Thank you for the 100. Yeah, man, I worked really hard for this. And, you know, I did it live in front of my people. And I just took a little Solana scalpy poo, but... yeah, I mean, it's a big day for me. It's my second time ever doing 100K, doing 6 figures, and both of those just happened in 2026. So definitely an evolutionary time for me. So, you know, I appreciate it. Thank you. God bless.
590 million in short liquidations today.
Yeah. Yeah, man, everybody's been bearish, you know, and the last few days I've just been saying like the sell pressure has been so crazy lately. Like the sell pressure has been so crazy that as soon as it stops, shit's gonna pop. You know?
Yeah.
That's all I've been saying is as soon as it stops, shit's gonna pop. And that's exactly what happened today, and that's why we're long, and you know.
Up billions, GG.
And I do think we're gonna come back for the high again. I don't think we're done. Not time to be bearish when things are 60 to 80% down. I do think alts are going to have like a significant run. For sure. You know, we were long on Solana from like 118. Some shit like that. So. We'll see how it We'll see how it goes. We'll see what happens. And, you know, as long as there's volatility, there's opportunity. And that's all I really care about right now, to be honest with you. I don't care which way it goes, but I just want there to be... I just want it to move. Like, I don't want it to do the shit that it's been doing as of late. Because that shit fucking blows. Lately, it sucked. Now we have new numbers. I hope we don't fall back down because I don't want to deal with those new numbers again. We'll probably make it to at least 100K back to the 200 EMA. Yeah. My favorite zone is 102 to 104. What's up, Nick? 102 to 104 is my favorite zone. Okay, I'll be back. I've been drinking a lot of water. I gotta go I gotta use the bathroom again. I'll be back.
I don't know, Jabs. I don't see us getting that high, bro. I think we're in our Tier 3 zone right now. I think between 94,750 and 98,285. That's like our zone to make our PO3.
Moon it. Bro. My grandparents keep this house on like fucking 100 degrees. There's no way it's not 100 in here. By the way, for the Europeans, that's like fucking 26 degrees right now is what they have the house on. 26.1, I think, Celsius. He bought Dump It, facts. He mooned buy it. That shit is fucking crazy. It's way too hot. They're like, oh, because they live in Florida, so it's like, oh, I guess your blood gets thinner or some shit. I have no idea.
Yeah, that's what
Okay,
happened
how are we
at
doing? Are we alive?
I think so.
Soul is doing okay. Stop is in profit. The TP is technically, this is your TP, so that's going to be 7K if it hits the target. But I actually think it'll go higher than that. I've been primarily targeting 150K or 150K. Can you imagine 150K Solana?
Yeah,
I've been primarily targeting, what did we say up here? Yeah, that's 7K. I've been primarily targeting 150. So actually, this is what I've been targeting here on Solana.
Did it not hit 150? I swear it did.
No, it didn't. It didn't.
Really?
It front ran. Yeah, we front ran. We're gonna hit this. I think we're gonna hit this. So this is, what is this? 150.4, and then I actually think that it'll go maybe halfway up this block. So if we put the middle line on, probably around like let's say 153. Let's say 153. So if we change this, hold on 1 second. If we change this to 153, 15K, yeah, that's fine. Somebody in the chat, what?
Someone said mini Model 2 on Sol, which kind of looks like it actually.
What, an accumulation?
Yeah, it looks like we're moving out right now.
Yeah, well, we longed it, so. Remember, guys, if they can't trade in front of your face, you saw me take this, okay? If they can't trade in front of you, they can't trade, okay? Don't fall for it. A lot of scams, a lot of scammy people. Don't fall for it. Look at my orders on Bitcoin. The only order that triggered as a limit order was my Bitcoin, one of my Bitcoin ones. And then I manually closed out like 25% of my position because I missed this, didn't go high enough. And then on MEXC, I didn't even hit one order. I didn't move this. Look at this. Oh, you guys can't see it. You have to see it on the YouTube. Hold on, let me share my whole. Let me share my whole screen.
I'm looking now, though. I can see it.
Okay, now you'll be able to see it on the other one because I'm sharing my whole screen. Okay, right here. Look, I swear to God, I didn't change any of these limit orders. I didn't put the limit order above this. Like, this is how close they came to it.
No, I know. I think oh, those
right
fuckers. There. No.
Literally by $59.
Damn. They knew.
Yeah. So now I have to kind of like, because I had to take 25% out because I don't know what's going to happen. I was at the gym and I don't want a round trip. I'm emotional, man. I just made 100K. I actually made more. I made like 140K today. But now I'm going to like probably take some of these away because now when we come up, we're not going to just SFP by $1 and move. So we're going to probably head towards 97.5, 98K, which means I can move these around. This is the MEXC one. I just went every 1,000, 108, 107, 106, 105, 104, 103.
I think
we were only like,
but now I have to take less profit because I have to take manual profit down here. So say again. Yeah.
Is that your only trade on Mexi, the Bitcoin
Yeah,
one?
just the Bitcoin one.
I think
And
we
now I
range
just
from
took
like
a now I just took a
94,
Solana one.
750.
Oh, look at that. Look at that Solana. So if you did long this with me, technically this is your TP one. So you should TP there.
Especially for SFPs at all.
I don't think it's gonna stop there, but technically that would have been that's your TP one.
Bro,
I
but
don't see
for
why it would
Bitcoin,
stop here. I
think
see
we,
zero reason for it to stop here whatsoever. I think it's gonna keep going, but
I think we range from like 94, 750 up to like 99 max.
Did just
For our
SFP on the
Q3.
too, by the way, Gio.
yeah, I don't really care about the SFP. It doesn't make sense contextually for it to roll over. It could, but
Well, we
take
broke
out-
down.
should we close 1,000?
Yeah, take a little bit of
Ah,
profit.
you're the guy.
Be a
tell
good
me.
example, bro.
I don't think
Be a
it's
good
done.
example to your people.
Man, I talk over people all the time. It's a horrible habit, and they know. And I said sorry. I say sorry for it. It's very rude, and I do it all the time. How should we manage this trade?
Well, we broke bearish on Solana on the 2 minute, and then we had another breakdown, and we just SFP'd the high. So
Yeah, but I don't
Keep-
care about the SFP. There's no way for me to confirm that SFP.
fair enough.
I think it's good, but
Brother, you're the man. Fucking you tell me, guy.
I think we're
I
good.
didn't trade it,
we're
but
good. I think we're good. I think we might get a pullback. We might come down to like, I don't know, 20, 30 cents and then go up again. I think we're good. I think we're safe though. Anyways, my stop's in profit. I don't really care about this trade. It's like not really a trade for me. It's not really a trade.
moon it.
Moon
Okay.
it.
8 o'clock.
Yeah, I think we're good. Let's see. Let's see how well we do or not do. Hmm.
Bitcoin's moving up a little here. Hold on.
Whoa.
Dude, I'm fucking exhausted. How though?
Yo, me too, bro. It's been so exhausting, like trying to long this whole time.
Long drive tomorrow. Fucking 8 hours.
How long is
bro.
the drive? Oh, 8 hours.
8.5, yeah.
Are
Nothing
you in
crazy.
the heli?
Mm-hmm. 4 new tires.
Is that shit comfortable?
Yeah, bro. The seats are fire in that thing.
Really?
It's got mad room actually. Like, it really does. But I had to get 4 new tires at Disney, bro. Because I fucking like, dude, I don't even know. I think I ran over like it literally looked like I drove through a fucking Lowe's with the nails all over the floor.
Really? It was that bad?
Yeah, I lost 2 of my tires, and then the Disney people like pulled up on me, the security, because I'm broke down on the side of the road. And they're like, oh yeah, we need to we could tow you mad quick, whatever, if you just like you have to sign a contract saying, because of course they have a car care center there. Of course they do. They got everything. They probably have a fucking doctor there. I don't know. Well, they're like, oh, if Disney tows it, it's free, but you have to sign a contract saying that you're gonna allow them to fix whatever's wrong with it. Da la 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 la. So I was like, okay,
scam, bro.
Yeah, AAA, but AAA was like fucking 2.5 hours out, and the Disney guy was like, yeah, I'll have the tow truck here in like 30 minutes. And I was like, bet, let's just do it. He calls me the next morning. He's like, yeah, 2,500 for 4 new tires. I was like, oh, sick.
Yeah, you can never do that.
I
could have said like your fucking transmission is blown and you have to pay 10 grand.
I know, but like, also, like, guy, I didn't really have a choice. Like, I'm sitting on the side of the road.
You're too naive, bro. You said it last time.
Were all your tires blown?
2 of them were, but I guess the other one was showing
What 2?
red. I don't know, bro.
Like 2 like in the front, 2 in the back, like 1 in each?
Driver side, both of them were fucked.
See you later, Chase. Bro, the evolution stream was so sick.
Yeah, I gotta finish listening to that. I want to listen to that.
Bro, that shit was so fire. I'm gonna post it on YouTube.
How many likes in this motherfucker? Yo, do the disclaimer, guy. I haven't heard it once.
I did do it. All right, disclaimer. I had such a clean disclaimer this morning in the Nexus stream, in the original stream. Okay, disclaimer. All kinds of percentages computer should never take it seriously. Think about 5 to 3 quarter of financial advisor crypto scam making my life global rumors whether it's 5 year discussion is advised. Damn, dude. That one wasn't like amazing by any means. No, but it was like that was not bad.
Yeah.
It wasn't like a 10. This morning I did a fucking 10, bro.
Perfect.
I did a 10 this morning.
Have you pulled up USDT yet? Did bro break his fucking mic?
Me? My shit? Is my shit fucked?
No, fucking Geo, his mic stand.
Uh-oh.
Shut up. What was the question again? What did you just ask me? USDT.
Have you looked at USDT at 4 hour?
Yeah, we haven't hit my demand yet. And we're just trading this range, as you can see. So, you know, deviation of range high, flip structure, into supply, down you go. You know, that's why I'm long. Pretty basic stuff, actually. Not very difficult right now. Easy trade.
Is that zone down there, the 4 hour block? Because Kenny mentioned something about it.
Yeah. It's not really a 4 hour block. It's more of like probably 8 or 12. I think it's a 12 hour block. My guess is 12. Ooh, my guess is wrong. Daily? 18 hour? What the fuck? 6 hour? 6 hour. 6 hour block.
6 hour.
6 hour block. Get the pump song, moon it. Moon it!
He bought?
Moon it! Who took the Solana along with me? When am I gonna get you in the Nexus, bro? Come join the Nexus, bro. I just gave you guys a free trade. Look, I just made 2 grand in front of you. That's almost 2 years of the Nexus right there.
Facts.
Right here, 2 years of Nexus. I'm gonna sign up to the Nexus, I think. I just gave you the guys that. Easy peasy. Easy peasy.
Okay, all we have to do is dump Zcash. Bro, I don't care. Literally, when we were talking about it the other fucking night, in the thing, we were fucking talking about Zcash. It was literally like, what, 560 to like a week and a half ago? And now it's 400, bro. That was the short, I'm telling you. And all you motherfuckers had it. No, bro. All you guys had it marked out and nobody.
I know. Well, my alert didn't go off. But anyway, here's the thing though, broski. Here's the thing. There's no such thing as the short.
Bro, I literally vividly remember you guys saying, like, if it gets up here and does this, we're literally shorting it to 0. I remember it
Okay, but
perfectly.
whatever.
We could also just rim C the whole way down too, though.
He was bad at getting feedback. I'm actually very good at getting feedback. But I like, there's no such thing as the short, is what I'm saying. No such thing. Is it me? Is it my phone that's making these sounds, or one of you guys are like?
Dude, I don't know how to turn this shit off.
That's
all right?
It's not me.
It's
Is
me.
it on your phone, bro?
No, it's on my MacBook.
Oh,
No,
put
I
your
don't know
phone
what
on
I'm
Do
doing.
Not Disturb, and you're good. Are you linked up? Just put your phone on Do Not Disturb, and it'll go away.
So it
Do
not
Wait, where did
disturb
my
or
TA
fucking
go?
silent.
Yeah. Put
By
on D&D,
God?
the moon.
By
No,
God?
I'm saying, by God, listen. How do I get it to where the fucking it doesn't make the noise when I send
know.
one?
No, I'm
Press
just saying.
Press the
just
moon
put
on
your
your keyboard.
phone.
Press the moon on your keyboard.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you're in D&D, you shouldn't be making
Press
any
the
noises.
moon.
It just did.
Alex, do you
Okay,
want
just
to
turn your
jump
volume
on,
down.
or do you want me to jump on yours? Check you guys later. Great stuff, Gio. Seen your trading since way back. Glad to see success grow. Follows great people. Thank you. I appreciate that, bro. Take care, man. God bless. We'll see you next time. Thank you for being here.
I don't know how to fucking do this. You know what? I don't even
Bro,
care.
I just want Bitcoin to go to 97, and then I'll close my trade, and then it can dump, and we can short it. I want out of this trade, but I want out of it with 100k PNL. My posture is
All
wild.
right. Yeah, you.
Are you live right now, Alex? Bear div getting close on the BTC one day. How much higher do I see us going? I don't really care about the bear div, to be honest with you. Doesn't matter to me. But I think we could go. My preferred scenario is 102 to 104. That's my preferred scenario. 7 tonight? What time
Not
is it?
7.
What time is it for you? Oh, he's like 2 hours back, right? 6:20?
Yeah, he's in fucking Narnia.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Did I make 100k back to back? I made like 150, and then I lost like 50 of it, and then I made 140 today. Well,
I just locked
my
myself
trades
out of Canva.
My trades are still open though, so that I could round trip it. I got people calling themselves dragons now. Yeah, man, it's Year of the Dragon, bro. Okay, what's my stop loss risk? This is a good question. I've been kind of doing so risk management is a thing, obviously. Trade management is another thing. The way that I've been entering these big trades is not at once, okay? Like if I pull up the card thingy and it shows all the I don't think it does on Mexi. Here. You're gonna see a lot of buys, okay? You're gonna see buy, and then sells on the way up. I'm not entering at once anymore because when I do that, like I have emotional issues, right? When it comes to trading, especially because I've been trying to add a digit and bigger numbers and this, that, and the other. And so what I do and what I did, and I'll go over it on my trade recap. I will do a trade recap for this one, but what I did was I actually longed the exact millibottom of this move on Bitcoin. Okay. So I longed here, and then I added more here, and then I added more here, and then I added more here, and I added more here, and I added one more right here. That was my last long. Right there. So what I do basically is I go in and then I'm in profit, So I'm risk off, right? Like right now, I'll give you an example based on the Solana long. I'm risk off right now, okay? Like I'm up $1,900. My stop's in profit, so I'm risk off. What I will do is if I see what I want to see, right? Like I entered this trade here and I'm risk off. So if I see what I want to see, let's just say we break above here now. What I'll do is when I see it come back and do what I want, I'll enter again. It'll be the same trade, but I'll enter it again and I'm putting risk back on. So so instead of de-risking, I'm re-risking so that I'm still risking the same amount, but I have a bigger position size and I have a little bit more flexibility because I'm in profit. I have a problem. I have a mental issue. I don't mind. Well, it's not that I don't mind. I want to see profit hold, obviously. Like if this 70K goes down to 50K, I'm going to be pissed. Right? But if I see minus 20K instead of plus, like I freak out, which I've never had a minus 20K trade, but you get the idea. So I just re-risk instead of de-risk. But after I de-risk it, I re-risk it. That's what I did for both of my big trades. Brock says, go to system settings under volume, drag the slider to 0. Is it too loud? Do you not like this music? Okay, we'll do a different one.
Was he talking about you or Jabs?
I'm pretty sure me.
No, I think he was talking to Jabs. Because he wanted to know how to not get the, like, boop. So.
Oh, I thought he was saying because the volume. Anyway, whatever. I changed it anyway. We'll do some chill shit. I don't know what this is, but we're about to find out. Okay.
Bro, your fucking playlist that I stole from you for streaming
Fire.
got me fucking copyrighted.
Really?
Yeah, and it says no copyright in the title.
That's weird.
And not just like the warnings that I was getting, like full on, like they fucking made it so they couldn't see my video. I had to edit it to where like I had to like mute the music.
Oh yeah, I do that all the time. The edit shit, but not usually on those videos.
It was just one of the songs that was in it.
Shouts out Canada. Why would Bitcoin still go up? Won't price naturally go down because of liquidity? Not necessarily. Because contextually, it just doesn't make sense yet to go down. I think. I could be wrong. Listen, I'm going to tell you guys this. For the last 40 days, I've been saying we're going up, we're going up, we're going up, we're going up. It took a hell of a lot longer than I thought. But myself and the Nexus had an amazing 40 days. Okay. Now, I'm going to tell you guys exactly. Guys, you think I have anything to hide? I have nothing to hide. I have nothing to hide. Look at what I told the Nexus. Look at what I told them. Look, I took profits. They knew about my limit orders. Okay. I told them, look, I'm setting scattered limit orders from 96K all the way to 104K in 10% increments, whatever. Okay. I was at the gym. We had a big pop. I saw the P&L and I was like, whatever. I took out a quarter, right? But here's what I said. USDT target neutralized. We've been targeting this on USDT for a very long time. Well, I just removed the line, but there was a line like here that we were targeting for a very, very long time. Okay. USDT target neutralized. I am blind now. No idea what happens next. I have no idea. I have to wait to see how price develops right now. I'm still in the belief that we go higher. I don't think it's over. Okay. The reason why I said it depends, because you said because of liquidity, doesn't it, shouldn't we go down now? I think that we're going to get a PO3. That's the difference, is I think we're going to get a PO3, which means we're going to continue higher and leave that liquidity. But whenever you have to remember that liquidity is also always being generated. So even if you have a big wick like this, what happens is now people are shorting and they're putting their stop above that wick. So the longer we hold here, the more bullish it is. Right? They're more likely going to take that high out because there's liquidity being generated here right now. What PVSRA indicator am I using? Also PVSRA color on that. Is that CVD? Do you mean on my candles? Or down here? Do you mean on A or B? Which one are you referring to? 237,000. Oh, geez, 1,000. Wow, I'm like 1,000 happy. 237 people in here, my friends. Only 117 likes. I literally gave you, spoon-fed you this long on stream. $2,000 could have been you if the price was right, if you took it. I think that $2,000 is worth a like. My goal is $100,000. Oh my gosh, what's wrong with me? My goal is 100,000 subscribers by the end of 2026. I do believe that we can get it, but I believe that you need to want me to get it also, because I'm gonna need your help to do it, and I'm only asking for your support and love and happiness. A is vector candles. Yeah, I have videos on my YouTube channel in regards to vector candles. I stopped using them for a couple years, and then now I'm back to using them. They are excellent. And B is an indicator called Open Interest Suite by Leviathan. In my opinion, the #1 indicator out there. Nothing really matches it. T-Dot boys for that win. Yes, sir. Anyways, Alex, I don't know if you meant, like, I guess your 7 p.m. is my 9 p.m. I don't really know the time difference. But yeah, whatever you want, bro. If you want to come on, come on. If you want me to come on, I'll come on. However you like, broski. Don't matter to me.
I think it might be 10 p.m., bro.
If 7 for you is 10 for me, then oh man, I don't think I'm gonna be awake for that.
Love from Paxita. What is that?
From Pakistan?
Oh, he didn't put a fucking N at the end of it, so I'm tweaking. My fault. Love from Pakistan. Yeah, Pakistan's
Why don't I
fire.
pair OI and CVD? Because the OI indicator that I just showed you is different than your standard OI. It's not like actual real open interest. I don't need CVD. Like, I'm very good at building market context. So I don't need like CVD. I don't use it. Which vector candle? It's just called vector candles. If you just go to like your indicators here and you just write vector candles, just the normal one. Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy. Alex goes on at 9 EST. I don't think I'll still be... Oh, 9 EST. Yeah, that's in half an hour. I'm tired, man.
Dude, I'm exhausted.
I haven't slept well in like a hot minute, bro, to be honest with you.
Bro, what's going on?
Oh, Trader White Phoenix.
What up,
I
Phoenix?
literally cannot
Yeah, I
stand.
was muted. I didn't even realize it. That's funny.
Boomer Phoenix.
Yeah, bro, we got the exact same 2 trades, by the way. When I was doing J stream, I did the same 2.
Which two? The Solana one?
Yeah, but you got in earlier. I got in on the breaker
okay.
mitigation. Breaker block mitigation, but then they came back and they whipped me out, so that's okay. I got stopped at break even on that one, but Bitcoin, I'm up on Bitcoin, but Bitcoin's not even moving, bro. My ETH's doing way better.
Yeah. By the way,
Yeah,
you're live on YouTube, just letting you know.
Yeah, okay.
This is what the OI indicator is called. Open Interest Suite by Leviathan.
Bitcoin's trying to push it, dude. A little bit.
It will. It's gonna come up for the high. Wait, you guys stopped at a break even on Sol?
Why? Yeah, I'll show you my chart. I'll send it in the chat. See what you can see what happened to me here. There was no reason to come back at all, bro. There was no reason for that double dip right there. But I'll show you exactly what happened.
Oh, this one? Oh, I know exactly. This one here, the second wick.
Yeah, but like go to the 1 minute and look at it.
No,
then
no, I
tell
know.
me-
I'm telling you, I know exactly why you got stopped out. Like, I know exactly where you got stopped out. Probably here.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, I almost got stopped there. My stop was right here.
Bro, like there was no need of it. You what
I
mean?
know,
Like,
and they didn't even fucking take it. I don't think. Like, so
yeah,
stupid.
it did on what you call it.
It held the
yeah.
it held the
Binance.
breaker. I was looking at the breaker too. It held the breaker, so yeah, I'm like I'm up $3,000 on that right now. Not bad. How many Solanas is that?
I don't know. But they
Let's
did.
see.
They dipped that low on the breaker on
1700.
Basic. That's why I got stopped. 'Cause
Bro.
They actually went.
Oh yeah, I know. Wait, on KSEX it took it?
Yeah.
Oh, I'd see. I took this one on MEXC.
I'm going to make a MEXC account just for like trading alts because I'm getting really fed up with this.
Well, this was also 0 fees.
Yeah, and that's ridiculous, bro. That's yeah.
So even if you get stopped out at break even, it's 0 fees.
That's crazy.
You'll probably still get slippage, but I don't think it'll be as bad as the slippage on KSEX. I definitely don't think it'll be as bad as that. So, but you got in on ETH also?
No, I didn't take ETH. And I was just after saying I didn't think ETH was going to be the better trade because there was a it just looked like Bitcoin. I thought Bitcoin was going to be like the one that everybody traded tonight, man. I didn't think ETH was going to be prime time, but I picked the wrong one.
Yeah, I looked at ETH and I was like, I'm not trading this. But then I bounced around and I saw Solana and I said, Sol looks so easy. Sol was an easy trade, minus the
trade,
fumble, but
yeah, Sol was pretty good.
Sol was the one. Actually, what is it? Ada?
What did you enter on? You got the low, but what did you just take the engulfing candle or what?
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, I longed right.
Right there.
I longed as soon as this red candle, like we got above it. What is this? 114.49? Yeah, something like that. Like this is my entry. I'm so tired. I think I'm gonna take tomorrow off. I'm not gonna stream. I'm not gonna trade.
Lord,
Or if I do trade, I'm gonna chill. Like I'm not gonna do any 6,000 updates.
Alright, bro. This shit's fucking tweaking right now.
It's close to midnight. Something evil is lurking. Check SMT between BTC and ETH. Do we have SMT? Nothing really right now. Yo, remember how I told you, Phoenix, that the other day what I think is going to happen is ETH is going to make a lower high. Like, do you see my screen?
Yeah.
And I said, like, this has been on my chart ever since this high. So for the last 34 days, this has been on my chart. Actually, funny enough, I didn't even move this. Like, that came pretty damn close. Anyway, so I said, watch for SMT. And then now if you go to Bitcoin, we have our SMT.
Yeah, it looks crappy.
So as long as Ethereum does not touch this high, you know, we have every right to be looking for giga shorts.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
No, you don't need a Palau ID anymore from XC. I think Bitcoin will go sideways and alts will fly.
XMR looks pretty interesting right now. It looks like the high time frame distribution.
You saw Zcash, didn't you, Phoenix? It's fucking like 400 now, bro.
Yeah, I don't care about that no more. That thing's garbage. What happened is the lead developers quit, bro. That's what happened. So But XMR looks pretty interesting to me. I'm gonna take a trade on it if I see something. We sweep that high again. I'm taking a trade if we SFP the main high, the all-time high.
This is my third stream today.
Oh fuck. Dump it, I guess.
Yeah, I don't really like this Asia Open so far. I think it's gonna be range bound. I don't think they're gonna have it in them to pump right now. I'd be surprised if they did. We start losing 94, actually 95k. You have one area of demand right below you that we broke up from, but you don't really want to see it past. I don't want to see it go any lower than that. You know, it shouldn't have to. If it's going to be a PO3, like that means the top's in. I'm actually still in that 96.3 short, but I'm holding that sucker.
Yeah, you're fucking crazy. I don't know how you took that.
Yeah, that one was really risky. I couldn't help myself. I seen it hit the POC, the VU up at the same time, and like literally had it up on my screen. I was like, yeah, I'm going in.
Let's just make 100k a day. I'm so down for that.
Oh, here we go. I fucked this up. Did I ever tell you about the time that I fucked up? Like I was trying to search when I was first learning TradingView, I tried to like I tried to look up a different ticker and I accidentally put it on the chart that I was looking at already, and they were overlapping and I couldn't figure it out how to like get it off, so I uninstalled TradingView.
That is so funny, bro.
I was
Boomer
so pissed.
jabs.
Literally, I was so mad.
That's hilarious.
I'm like, fuck this. I'm not doing it.
Bitcoin will be moon. Bitcoin will be moon.
If we sweep that low on ETH or Bitcoin, I'm looking for another long. I don't think
Bro, I think I'm like I think it's time somebody gives me a trade. Like I'm fucking tired.
Yeah, we got that little 1 minute order block left on ETH right below where we bounced from. Sorry, 32nd. I know it's small, but like it's there, and we have so much inducement on that block. It's insane. And I've seen crazier things happen lately, so I wouldn't be surprised if we came back for it. Would not be surprised.
I'm long in 90 to 95k. I don't give a fuck.
Are you like which breakout account do you have right now?
What do you mean? Like how big?
Like what do you have open right now? Yeah, like how far along are you? How big is it? Whatever.
I haven't looked. Hold on, let me look at it. I have a 50k.
Okay.
Why is this? Well, hold on, bro, because if you leave the window for 4 seconds, it fucking logs you out.
Man, it's like the UI for breakout is so bad.
They have to have some sort of edge, right? Like there's no way. That's got to be their thing. They're
Man,
like,
they
we
make it
know
shit
it
on
sucks, but
purpose
it's
so that you
good,
could so you could misclick and fuck up the account.
Yeah.
Doesn't Kraken own that now?
Yeah, that's even more the reason why you would think that they would fix their shit, but no.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, why is it garbage if Kraken owns it, right? Like, what?
Because scammers gonna scam.
I mean, everyone was kind of like, the only thing that sucks about the new changes is the fees. Like, everyone was tweaking about the fucking 3% max drawdown, blah, blah, blah. Like, that was the pro account.
Wait, what did they change?
They changed it. So, like, remember how it used to be like, if you bought a classic, it was 6% max drawdown and then 4% daily.
Yeah.
Now it's 3 and 5. But
Oh, so
here's the thing:
so you
if
can
you
blow
know
the
how to
account
trade, you
easier.
should never blow it, anyways.
Yeah.
Like, so it doesn't matter. Like, you're never
Is it
losing.
cheaper
3%.
though?
No, it's same price. But bro, they have such a good product. Like, I even still think that beats 90% of the ones out there. Anyways, like, it doesn't even fucking matter, bro.
I've had a couple of new ones tell me like, oh hey, I see that you're with Breakout, like we can give you better, whatever, blah blah blah.
Yeah,
By the
but
way-
like, go ahead. Sorry.
I didn't mean to cut you off. I thought you guys were done there. I was gonna say, by the way, we have massive bearish OI on the 2 local highs on BTC on the Asian session so far. That's what happened there. Internally.
Guys, if I like, well, oh yeah, this is what I was saying. The other thing, Gio.
Yeah, we do.
Who
Well,
knows
look
if
at
you can trust the fucking like other ones that aren't breakout? That's the other thing. Like,
Yeah, true that.
I mean, dude, breakout it's the best thing. If you know how to trade, you can't really blow the fucking thing unless you walk away with no stop loss to go get a drink.
Yeah, that was a big
So
that was a big goof. All right, we're gonna take half
Fine.
out here.
Don't get a drink, bro.
I'm not saying like a
No
beer.
long festivals, okay? You're trading.
No water, no hydration, just sit in the room and no life.
Starve when you trade, bro.
Yes.
I'm in rule trading. You gotta
Dude, I'm
starve.
back. I'm literally back 15 hours a day. Don't give a fuck. I'm in the thing. In the call. Don't give a fuck. I'm done.
Out on during the last couple weeks. Must be like FOMO, full FOMO mode now, are you?
Dude,
50
really,
hours
I'm
ago.
not though. To be honest, like, because here's the thing, like before, yeah, I would be, because I'm like, bro, but now, like, I don't know. It's just like I know it's gonna be there when I get back. I don't care. I don't know. It's just such a good feeling. I don't know. Like, I feel fine. I don't even care. Like, everyone's like, I know. Like, bro, me a year ago, if I would have fucking seen that shit go up 2K in 4 seconds, I would have bugged. Oh my god, out of long. Yeah, bro. But now I'm good. Like, I don't even
Man,
care.
that's
I'll
good
just
to
keep
get
pulling
like
them
that
up.
though, because I never I'm not like that. I get mad FOMO. Even though I'm so good at fucking following it if I need to, but I get mad FOMO, man.
No, I don't.
Hey, did you see that testimonial earlier, Gio?
Yeah, that was sick.
Yeah, I read that
Yeah, it was
too. That
fire.
was
I'm gonna put that on the I gotta fix the website. I gotta get my testimonials up there.
Well,
I just
that's
have a
nice
black
and
eye on
nice.
repeat right now.
Fucking God doing.
Do you
videos.
guys ever mess with scalping? Oh, dude, all we do is scalp. All we do. Swing trading's so like, I don't know, man. It's not for
play
me.
that? You
Let's
should
just
play
say.
the God voice clip that he sent me on stream.
Oh, the firework. Hey, do you guys want to see an Indian scammer singing? Firework. This is God, an Indian scammer.
I never actually heard that. Play
Here,
it.
listen right here.
Wait, is it gonna show up on the?
I need myself. Hold on, so it doesn't get picked up.
Here.
Phoenix,
Yeah.
you're a firework. Come to my farm and work. I'ma beat your ass. If you didn't cut my grass. Phoenix.
Listen, I had to hear it, YouTube, so you guys, you had to too. No, I mean trades that last like less than 5 minutes. Yeah, bro, that's all we do is we scalp. But right now, I just happen to catch some swings. But all we do is scalp. For me, they're not usually 5 minutes, but depends on where the target is. Like this trade, I can just close this right now. We've been in this trade since here. So how long has this been? 5. We've been in this trade for like 1 hour now. If I took
I like
profit,
that.
I mean,
KSX doesn't have that. That's cool.
Doesn't have what?
The flash close button. Like you have to go through like prompts.
I know, dude. Well, it has it, but like this close all, but you still have to like manually. It's so stupid. This is if I press it. Like here, let me go to like Ethereum.
Bro, I don't even care, bro.
Like if I open Ethereum and then I just press flash close, it'll just whoop. See you later. Like it's true flash close, you know. All right, I'll be back. I'm gonna go make a tea. My throat is like fucked right now because I've been streaming 3 times today. I want to go to sleep, man.
Me too. I'm about to here in a minute. I might just watch you guys for the rest of the night and then call it. Gotta
Better
drive.
Bro, we're gonna have some crazy volatility tomorrow, maybe if they announce that tariff stuff.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, fucking facts. I better be locked.
You could short Phoenix.
Yo, I should set my laptop up on the fucking like dash or some shit and just fucking. No, that's probably not safe.
Hey, Phoenix, I'm working on your overlay.
I don't know. Like what?
Your overlay. Whenever you start doing your like YouTube shit, man.
Oh yeah, thanks, bro. If you can do that, it'd be sick.
I sent you like a rough draft, but I'm working on like spicing it up a little bit in your
Why don't you send
DMs.
me it?
Look at your Discord, Mr. Hollywood.
How did you make that?
And it's just on Canva. So yeah, if you have something specific that you want on there, let me know. I'm about to put your like logo and shit somewhere.
Not
Freaking
really.
badass.
Be creative, bro. I'll use it forever.
All right. I'm not a fucking wizard here. As you can see, I'm very basic.
Yo, what? Are the max screens like 4K? This shit looks crazy.
What is it?
Like, are all Mac like screens like the computer like mad fire like HD?
I think so. Tony's
'Cause
got
it-
like a bro. Meat and pretzels, bro.
Get some water. Do you like the big ass pretzels? Like, you know, the ones from like a carnival or something? I'm not the biggest fan.
Say to me, he always calls me something funny. I can't remember what he said to me in my stream. Say it again, Diamond Palm. Say what you said earlier. I went to read it before, but I forgot. Yeah, we planned the same trades, but Gio got in a lot more aggressively on the Solana one. I should have done that. Oh well. Ready to make billions, Gabs, or what? Starting tomorrow morning?
Well, tomorrow when I get home, yeah, I'm gonna be up billions. 50 mil this year. This fucking loser.
Are you not home?
No, I'm still at my grandparents'. I have to drive home tomorrow morning.
Oh, I thought you already drove home.
No. I'm ready to be though. Fuck, you have no idea. That's what I'm saying, bro. I'm in the call 15 hours a day. I don't give a fuck. And if you guys are streaming, I'm watching them. So, I don't care.
We'll make mad money.
Okay.
Gonna be
What did I
stupid.
miss?
We were talking about if you like pretzels from the fair, like the big ones.
Interesting.
I'm always good at that.
Are we round tripping right now?
I don't know if they're good or not though.
What,
Like, I
pretzels?
don't- like, bro, yeah, pretzels out of a bag are gas. Like butter snaps, fuck me. But I'm saying the big ass ones,
I don't know. I know what you mean. Like I
right?
have
Right?
emotions.
It's
Oh,
like
I like
hit
the
or
big
miss.
pretzels. I like the big ones.
I don't know if I do. It's like it's got to be like
Came out and stopped me on my BTC
Diamond
line.
Palm says, "Shout out Phoenix." Wait, are you in a BTC long right now?
Yeah, I took a scalp, but not. I mean, it's I'm out of it now. I got smoked. Break
I
even.
don't.
GG.
I'm a break even warrior.
I don't usually scalp. Just fell into this crazy indicator paid trial though. I also don't want to share the indicator name, or you'll sound like an ad. 6 or 7 winning trades in less than an hour. I mean, you definitely sound like an ad, but I mean, I don't care. You could say it.
Definitely
I don't really use indicators like that. Like indicators don't tell me what to do. I tell them what to do. But I mean, like I'm probably not gonna use it anyway. But by the way, we have bullish OI on Solana.
Oh yeah, you know what? I haven't really used it on Solana before, ever.
All right, Phoenix. I DM'd you.
Actually, it's not really bullish.
Tell me what you
OI
think
right now.
about that.
Did you just like throw paint on it?
That was just a fucking default one, bro.
Oh,
I'm not
okay.
good at making the cool shapes. I just want for a simple one.
Can you
I feel
take
like you're a
that?
simple guy.
All love, bro.
I
All
can't
love.
hear what you're saying.
It's all love.
What'd you say, Phoenix? You like kind of like you just fell down fell off a cliff, bro.
Oh, I did.
Yo, to be honest, he's been lagging all day though. Like Phoenix been lagging all day.
What'd you say though, Phoenix?
Well, on my cliff dive, I discovered there was a fucking. It looks like it kind of looks like somebody fell off a cliff with a couple of cans of paint in their hands, and it fell all over the template. You know what I mean?
Yeah, do you fucking hate that or what?
But you know what I mean, though, right?
Yeah. So do you want something different in that place?
I was just wondering if can you run it through ChatGPT, or is that not possible? Like, be like, hey, make something like exquisite.
I just feel like I think if I do that, it'll fuck up the transparent background part. Like whatever goes over, I don't think the background will stay transparent, which will fuck up when you try to overlay it.
The bot blues.
Bro, I'm
Phoenix-
actually
No, it's okay. I like it. I'll use it.
It's mid. Hold on. Let's see if I could do something cool.
Who drinks Labatt Blue?
Yeah, that sounds nasty.
dude,
the
that's
fuck is that?
fire. Are you kidding me? What the fuck?
Is that a
That's
Canadian? Is that a Canadian brand? I don't.
Yeah, they have it at
Sounds
Epcot,
like it.
bro.
Oh
Sounds
really?
like it.
I'm a cool. If
Yeah.
I'm gonna drink, Canadian is gas, but it's for
No,
me. It's
don't say
either
Coors Light,
Canadian or
please.
it's Coors Light.
No way. Coors Light is so garbage, bro.
Yeah, but you okay? You tried the oh fuck, Jet. I forgot to send you. Okay, I'm gonna send it to you tomorrow. The chips, I mean, but you tried the
Oh,
Molson
this thing.
Canadian. You liked it, Jabs.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was good, isn't it? Hello.
Actually, I have an idea to make this better, Phoenix. This is on brand. I'm a genius. I said to make it look good.
Look at this. Came into demand on Solana. You have the down, the up, the down, the up, and the break. This is your false first break, and then pop out. Easy.
I'm a
Or
fucking
this is
genius,
lower high
bro.
and it's going to 0. One of the two. I will, bro. I will. Oh, what the fuck, bro? No, I will KPZ. I thought that wait, is that easy or K-Pack? Oh, that's K-Pack. Okay. Yeah, I'll send you guys all some snacks. Some Canadian snacks. I saw easy. I thought it was easy there. I should sleep, Alex O'Crypto. I should. You're right. I'm so tired. Canadian maple butter. Why do we always do what God asks? Because he's a scammer. Short analysis on XMR. Are you guys still in here? Is it lagging?
No, you're not. We're in
Oh,
here.
okay.
I'm just.
Don't even
fucking
ask me
working.
what just happened, bro. I have no idea.
I'm just slaving away for Phoenix.
I unplugged my fucking Mac and it just turned off. That was crazy. But yeah, I tried the one that you told me, the one with the moose on it, I think it was.
Yeah, that's Molson Canadian.
Yeah, that one's good, but
Wait, that
The,
one or Moosehead? Or was it Moosehead?
it had a moose on it. So
Was
whatever
Molson,
that
no,
one is.
Molson Canadian doesn't have a moose. Was it a green thing?
The bottle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like it was this?
Hold on. Yeah, that was it.
Alex, if you want to hop on or I hop on or like we both run the stream, whatever you want to do, bro. Or this one. Which did you had both of these? You had Moosehead and this one? You definitely had
No,
this
I
one.
had-
I saw
had
you
that
have
one.
this
I had-
one.
Yeah. I had the moose head. I've tried the moose head before, but I also like blue light, like Labat. What is it? Labat?
Labat Blue.
Yeah, that shit's fire. I used to chug those things, bro. I swear to God, I could drink a pack of those and not even be buzzed.
Yeah, that like for me, I drink to get drunk. So
Coors, yeah, I know you do.
like I don't just have a beer or I don't I don't do that. Like I chug the whole fucking wine bottle. I chug it. People are like, you're not supposed to do that. Who are you to tell
Oh,
me
yeah,
how to drink
enjoy it,
my
smell
wine?
it. Fuck you, bro. No. What do you think? All of it tastes like shit. That's what we're not, I mean, definitely Coors though is probably.
I don't even drink beer anymore, dude. I just if I'm gonna drink, I'll have White Claws and tequila.
Nah. Coors Light might be the grossest fucking thing. Miller Lite's disgusting too.
No, Heineken is the worst one.
Oh yeah, Heineken sucks. I forgot about that shit.
Dude, how did I used to trade on black screen, man? That shit's so ugly. Like this used to be my everyday. I can't even see anything.
You used to be like, bro, you gotta change your shit to this. I changed my shit to this because of you.
Yeah, fuck that.
All right, so do the Mac screens, do the screens on these, all of them are fire or no?
Yeah.
Because, this shit looks so HD.
Yeah. Man, Apple's the best
Oh.
at what they do, bro.
Man.
I'm still confused on how
Is
yours
this all-time high for
folded.
XMR? Why is there no data here on XMR? Why is this? The XMR has been alive more than 2022 or no?
Yeah,
This is all-time high right now or no?
I think so. I could be wrong.
If this is XMR and this is all-time high, yeah,
Yeah.
I have no analysis up here, bro. Whoever was asking me that, sorry, but I do not have.
I do. I'm shorting it.
I mean, yeah, go for it. Here, this is the most analysis I have. Is this?
Model 1.
No, is that? Yeah, there's nothing up here. I don't do fib extensions and whatever. I guess you could try it. I don't know how to do it though. So full disclosure. Like I don't really. I guess you have that. So 1618 is at 888. Seems like a good number to reject from. There's nothing else. I can't really do any TA on this. I put an alert there though. Maybe it'll trigger a nice short.
Phoenix, I hope you know I'm fucking absolutely cooking for you right now. I feel like.
Oh my
Dude, how do you guys have all the fucking... how does all your guys move when you talk and mine doesn't?
Oh, on Discord?
Yeah.
Because yours doesn't have like a a cool background to your name.
How do I get a guy then? How do I
You have
get
to
one?
you have to
Oh my
buy
God,
one.
yeah.
They're like $5. You have to buy it.
What? Oh man. All right, let me look. How do I do it?
Go to set user settings on the bottom left, and then go to my account, and then do edit user profile,
Oh,
and then do
My
I think it's
account.
profile widgets. Oh, you can do profile widgets now? Interesting. It's not profile widgets though. It's
change decoration. Oh,
yeah.
What section is it under again?
Bottom left, and then my account, and then like edit profile, or edit user profile, and then you can do like a new nameplate and a new. And by the way, you should get the Nexus nameplate at Trader Jabs, because we all have it.
I have it. I have it.
No, you don't.
What do you mean?
No, not that. I'm saying like, okay, if you look at my like card and Jet's card thing, you'll see it.
I don't see the is it called the banner or the profile effect?
Yeah, the banner.
Yeah, the banner.
Oh, these are so badass. I just don't know which one I want.
Look, this is the one that I'm talking about. Am I gonna
Oh my
leak
God.
anything? No, I'm not gonna do it here. I'll do it in the Nexus. Okay, here. This is the one I'm talking about. You see my screen? See how like Jet has
Hold on,
this?
let me look. Wait,
and I
I'm
have
trying
this.
to. Oh yeah.
Look how perfect is that?
How do you get that?
You have to buy it. It's like $5.
Is
Where
it-
though?
Like, did you make it though?
No, I didn't make it. I didn't make it, but I saw it and I was like, oh yeah, we're doing that. I didn't tell anybody else to do it. I just did it, and then everyone started doing it.
All right, I'll get that. Yeah. So how long have you guys all had your guy like around you? The thing.
Well, I did it because people, like a lot of geos were coming in and scamming. So I'm like, well, these these Indian scammers can't afford to pay for like the stuff on Discord. So I just did it so that, you know, people wouldn't get scammed.
Why I got this purple lightning bolt thing, but I didn't buy it though. Somebody gave me it.
Yeah, that one's cool, but I feel like there's so many. I'm gonna be here all night.
Yeah, how do you get to that section though? I want to pick a new one.
Okay.
Boomer Phoenix. Bro, on
Okay,
the bottom left of your Discord, click the gear icon.
I did.
And then this
I made
Top
an
left.
user profile, but I don't see the damn circle. All I see is profile banner, profile effect, nameplate. Is it avatar decoration?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so.
Oh, hover over the guy, and then over your bird thing, and press
Yeah,
the little
yeah.
pen, and then.
Man,
Yeah, it's avatar decoration.
All right, I'm gonna
You got-
fucking.
wait now. Do you have any free ones, Jabs? There's 3 free ones, I think.
Yeah, I see him. I don't want that one though. I want a fucking badass. one.
Oh, there's a moon one now. I should have done that when I was so uber bullish. It would have been funny. Missed opportunity.
This fucking one with like the little fish thing is sick.
Oh, this
Or whatever.
Twilight one is cool.
We're so stupid. Like,
I want a different one.
oh, the moon is cool, dude. Scroll down, see how many there are. We're gonna be here all fucking.
Oh, I
night,
know.
swear.
There's a lot.
That one's pretty
There's
sick.
too many to
You
pick
can get
from.
like packages for everything. Like you can get like there's a nameplate one that goes with the avatar one, and it all matches.
Yeah, but I'm already overwhelmed.
No, I'm
There's
saying
too
like
many.
you can buy like a bundle, and the whole bundle is the same.
Oh.
Yeah,
so you
like
could-
matches.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
It's
Like
a
mine is
theme.
pretty matching right now. Mine is
Okay, the
obviously
ones at
Nexus
the bottom are
themed.
dog shit. So don't even look.
Yeah, I know. I agree. They're like little fucking Asian cats and shit.
Oh, I see phoenixes. All right, there's you.
Somebody sent me it. don't even know who the person was.
Like mine looks so clean. Look how clean my whole like packaged. Let me just make sure I don't leak anything. Yeah, that's good.
Dude, I can't fucking look at it because I'm
Like
trying
look
to
how good mine looks. Mine looks so good. Look, it does the sparkles and then it does the circle thing and then it does. Like mine is clean with the Nexus theme.
Oh. No, that one's fucking too much, man. If I.
Did you buy that as a package?
No, mine was all individual.
No.
So these are $5 for one of these?
I guess so. That's what it says.
All right,
Yeah.
Phoenix. I sent you 2 other ones.
What are we at right now? We're at
You can
6
tell me if
risk
you
to
like
reward.
those more.
We took a 7 risk to reward trade on stream for you guys right now. That's crazy.
With Solana?
Yeah, up 2.5k.
Yeah, that's sick. But I don't know which one's better though. I have no idea. What do you think?
Send them in the chat. We'll look.
Oh,
Yeah, shoot
his
me that
overlay. Here, hold up. It's definitely better than the fucking paint spill. I'll tell you that.
All right. Wait, are you guys looking at the shop thing? Oh, they want fucking $6 for. Wait, hold on. That's pretty bad. Yo, if anyone wants to gift me one of these, I'll wear it. Oh, you could buy the whole thing.
Okay,
Gio,
I sent
should I
them
buy
in the chat for this shit.
Dude,
Should I buy the fucking Avatar one?
should buy 'em all, bro.
Avatar is so gay.
Dude, what?
Super Mario
Yo.
Scalping.
I will never watch fucking Avatar. That movie's gay. I'm not watching blue
Hater.
people fuck in the woods. It's gay and that's it. That's the end of the story. Never will I ever watch a gay Avatar.
Jabs, if you look at the chat for this voice channel.
Okay, I'm moving my stop loss, by the way,
I put
to
the
here
2
now.
in there
All right, hold on, let me look.
and tell me which one's cooler.
You want the border like that?
Wait, Gio,
Yo.
if you press flash close, does it close? Does it give you another warning sign, like a prompt symbol, or no?
No.
A warning, I mean.
Nope.
So if you accidentally hit that, you're out.
Yep.
Ooh, scary.
I think you can change the setting for that, I'm pretty sure. Oop, done. Peace out. Good night.
This is so much easier to change windows on than my other fucking computer. What I don't get though is how yours is closed and you're still using it.
Close. What do you mean close?
What are you talking about?
His fucking Geo's Mac is closed.
Oh, because it's connected to the monitors.
You don't need to have it open if you have it hooked up to monitors, bro.
What?
Yeah, he has a keyboard. He's not using the Mac keyboard. He's using his own mouse and his own monitors. Boomer fucker.
All right, listen, you rich fuck. I haven't had a MacBook before, okay? Leave me alone.
There's a guy driving a car worth more than fucking most people
Shut up.
wage.
Yeah, seriously.
I got a 2002 Ford Expedition, bro. Moon it.
Moon it! I want
actually
this
do.
Solana trade to go to 10k. If Sol goes
well,
to
it's
10k, I'll
moving
be
what?
happy.
You heard what Diamond Palm said?
Who?
Did you read what Diamond Palm said?
I did, yeah. Heineken is delicious.
What? Who said? Oh, just gotta get it near freezing point and have a little bath salt with it. Dude, Heineken is fucking horrendous, bro.
I thought he said salt, like regular salt. I was like, oh, all right. But no.
I
Yeah.
remember the guy ate there's a guy that like was fucked up on bath salts and he like is in Florida and fucked like and ate somebody or some shit, like started eating a guy.
Yeah, bro. On the road, he ate their face, I think, or something.
That's fucked.
Yo,
Dude, I don't.
knew
Is
this
that just
girl.
like a fucking bath bomb? Like you just eat that and you're crazy?
Yo, I knew this girl.
No, bro.
Listen, I knew this girl in fucking like I knew this girl here, and her boyfriend, her and her boyfriend like were doing some shit on New Year's or something, and then they got into fight and broke up, and her boyfriend literally bit her nose off. He bit her nose off. Yeah, like she had no fucking nose. He bit her nose off, and then he fucking swallowed it so that they couldn't like sew it back on and shit. And she was so like traumatized for years from that. It was like so funny.
Well, I'd say.
Who knows today?
I know, but imagine like getting your nose bit off. Like that's so weird. And bro, like there's like pictures. Like you can even look it up. I'm not saying do it, and I'm not going to, but you could literally look it up. Like this bitch had no fucking nose.
You knew her in real life.
Yeah, I knew her. I met her on Tinder.
So she's fucked now.
Well, I don't know what she's doing now. She's like, I don't know what the fuck. Like they fixed it. Like they did plastic surgery on her and like whatever.
I'm sure she was traumatized. I mean, that's fucking insane.
It wasn't just the tip. Toronto nose bit off. Let's see if it'll come up.
I
Here.
guess you won't be.
Yeah, during vicious fight, Allison. I'm not gonna post it, but this is the girl. This is the girl. It's blurred out, so I hope YouTube like that's the chick. Like they bit that shit off the guy, and he swallowed it.
Dude, he's probably a fucking crazy bastard.
That's fucking nasty, bro.
Wait, so
right?
bath salts are just like a
It's a synthetic stimulant, bro.
She did the same to his tip, maybe.
bath salts is fucking has nothing to do with bathing. All right,
no, it's drugs, jabs. It's like a synthetic
I
stimulant.
know it's drugs, but I literally thought it was like one of those things. I'm like, yeah, damn, they just sell this shit in the store.
Fuck no.
Bath salts. I
Bro,
literally
Phoenix,
thought it was...
do you not fucking hear this kid? Out here thinking bath salts is like a fucking bath bomb that you buy from fucking Target.
I mean, people do call him bath salts in his defense, but yeah, that is funny.
Green mana bundle. Let me check it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, how can you call me like, bro? I don't even like. I don't know.
He's innocent, okay? He's innocent.
Yeah, guy.
Michael Jackson is innocent.
Corrupting my boy here.
Green
With your
mana.
He's been gone too long. He deserves the punishment right now.
Oh, the dragon one. Whoa. What? Yo, look at this, guys. Look at my screen.
Wait, what?
This is the green mana bundle.
That was a Yu-Gi-Oh card or some
And
shit.
it's a fucking look. A dragon comes out too. That's insane.
Is that a
great.
dragon?
Well, you
Go
gotta
back,
buy
go
that
back,
right
go
now.
back.
Look, it's gonna reset it. Look.
I like the other one better, but that's just me.
No, I'm not gonna do it. It's kind of gay, but
Yeah.
I don't know if that was a dragon, bro.
bro, I'm gonna look. We're gonna do it
Looks like
again.
a fucking dinosaur.
Yeah. Zoom in. All right, bet.
Oh, that's a dinosaur. I lied.
T-Rex.
Yeah, that's a
Yeah,
fucking
that's a
dinosaur,
T-Rex.
bro.
It's kind of cool though. Like especially lately, I've been on this whole.
You add that tree of life, or was it there?
No, it's there.
Oh, okay,
If
now.
T-Rex didn't come out, that shit would be so clean.
I like this one though. Like fuck the T-Rex thing. Look here on the right. I like
Yeah,
this.
the
The tree.
thing is cool. That's badass. For
Yeah,
That's
can't
better.
modify it.
That's
That's
better
right.
than what I have now. Hold on. I don't want to leak anything by accident, like my number or something. But let me just see what I have now. Yeah, the dinosaur is kind of gay, but
Ever leak your number by accident?
leak my number. I've never leaked my number. If I did, I
I'll
have to
do it
change
right
my
now.
number. Okay, look right here. This is it right now. Just the sparkles.
Nah, the tree one is badass, bro.
All
Do
right,
the tree one.
Let me buy it. I'll buy it right now. I don't care.
If someone sends me 100,000 USD in the
It's on
next
the
2
street,
minutes,
you're
I'll leak
thinking,
Gio's
bro.
number.
You're fucking
What was it?
cooked, bro.
Yo.
I'll leak my number if you send me 100K.
Yeah, I'll put it on the fucking. I'll tattoo his number on my fucking forehead.
Go to shop. Green mana.
All right, listen. We need to figure out.
Wait, what? I have to buy the bundle? You can't buy the fucking... Oh, this green man is the same thing that we have. Why do I have to buy the whole bundle?
Yeah, that's our banner.
Oh,
fuck,
dude, the dinosaur
100.
thing comes out on fucking... Wait, what?
Someone asked, "What, Gio? What do you do on your day off?" This is literally it.
I don't take days off, bro.
Tomorrow, you said. You ain't taking the day off. Who
I
am
don't take
kidding?
days off, bro. Let's be real.
All right, I'm trying to think. Let me think.
Bro, I don't know what you're talking about right now. What do you mean?
Yo, Phoenix, I'm on
Yeah.
fucking bath salts, guy. Give me a break.
You fucking sounded, bro.
I'm tired.
I don't know if you're talking to somebody else, or if you have is there another jab around?
No, I was trying. Maybe I was trying to fucking say something to Gio, but I forgot, bro.
You sound like you never slept in a week. You sound like Gio.
So
Yeah,
tired.
I'm fucking tired as fuck.
Yeah, I'm going big short no die tomorrow. You watch. Fucking huge.
Bro,
We
if
gotta
you
cut
go...
the-
There's like a fucking big crypto shit tomorrow, I think, bro.
If you take a trade tomorrow, please tell me, because I don't think I don't want to look at the charts for like 3 days.
Cap.
Yeah. Were you gonna be online tomorrow or not?
Well, I'm telling myself I'm going to take the day off, but you guys are going to see me at 8 a.m. All right, guys. I hope we're all happy, healthy, wealthy. Like, that's just, you know. I don't want to sit all fucking day and like do all the stuff that we need to do to get into a trade. I just want to make money easily. And me making money easily is you doing the work and telling me. So I'll take that.
Yeah, I'm hammering the trades tomorrow. If there's any.
The
There's
only
gonna be
way I'll
trade.
work tomorrow is if we sit on call and we both literally make 100K. If we make 100K tomorrow, then I'll trade.
Make more than that.
No. Fucking G.
Okay, that's not
Gee.
enough, bro.
Oh man. What is love? Man, the problem is I couldn't open up more Bitcoin. So like, you know,
Yeah, you're capped out.
yeah. So does that mean, you know, we just move to Hyperliquid?
That just means we get we get $1,000 move, 40 Bitcoin in. Then you make 40 grand, close it. Next one, $1,000 move, close it. Next one, we can get like multiple $1,000 moves a day, bro. Come on. Or you go to Hyperliquid if you want, but the fucking fees suck ass over there.
I've never used it. I don't know. Another drive of bearish OI on what? On Bitcoin? Is that what you are referring to?
Yeah, there is slightly. Very. No, it's not bearish yet. Is it? No, it's not. No. Not from the last one.
I don't see anything bearish right now about Bitcoin, to be honest with you.
It's raging.
Actually, funny enough, we have bullish OI.
No.
Yeah, we have bullish OI. Yeah, we do. Yeah,
Where?
we do. Look, right here.
Yeah, Sol.
No, this is. Oh, this is Sol. Okay, I thought it was Bitcoin. But yeah,
Yeah,
we have
boom.
bullish OI on Sol.
Boomer Geo.
That's good for me. Let's check Bitcoin. Man, another drive of bearish OI. Like, you definitely have bearish OI, but the thing is like contextually, is it gonna just leave these highs? No, and the moment you take this high, your bearish OI becomes invalidated. So I would say that no. I would much rather wait to see this get taken, or at least this high needs to go, at least minimum that high needs to go to consider shorting, in my opinion. We're probably just gonna fuck around here for the next day or so. We have news tomorrow. Tomorrow's like important. Isn't tomorrow the tariff thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's supposed to be, but it might get delayed again. I don't know.
Bro, that's why I wanted the fucking pump so badly to happen today before the stupid shit tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay. So you guys know much about that tariff stuff or no?
No.
Like, what are your thoughts on it? Like, do you think? I can't figure out how it ends bullishly. If there's somebody in the chat that knows a bullish scenario, whether it's a yes or no, like whether they remove them or not, please enlighten me because I'm not quite understanding the bullish outcome. Having tariffs is bullish, and not having them is either way. I don't see how it's. Yeah, I don't understand. Because if they have to pay them all back, that's billions of dollars that they have to pay back. How is that bullish?
Man, this
And
whole
how-
cycle.
if they keep them, which the market's already dumped a bazillion times from already having them. If they remain, how is that bullish? You know what I mean? I don't know. I
Man,
don't
this
know. Maybe
entire
nothing happens.
cycle.
The Trump cycle.
This entire cycle, yeah, like every single bearish news we've had pumped, and every single bullish news we've had pumped. This entire cycle, everything pumped always,
Yeah, it's sold
until it didn't. But
Yeah. Buy the rumor, sell the news, bro. It's
this is
always
what they
the same
say.
thing.
It's hard to say because removing them is bearish to pay back, but no tariffs are bullish. Removing them
I mean-
lowers input costs for manufacturers and final prices for consumers. Keeping the tariffs is bullish because everything's already been priced in. Improves odds of rate cuts. What? See, I don't know what any of that stuff means.
I don't see if they keep them though. I still see the same result for every asset that I'm looking at. Like I don't even care. I feel like if they remove them, it might expedite things. But I still see all this as like a buy the rumor, sell the news into a PO3, no matter how it's played out. Like that's just my opinion. I think we're ready for that manipulation, or sorry, we're in the manipulation phase now.
Yeah, I'm definitely in agreement that we're
There's
not
far
really...
too many. There's far too many similarities to 2022. Like I shared them, you guys seen them earlier. Well, not everybody in the chat, but you guys did. My co-workers here have.
The only
Cool.
thing that, and we talked about this on the phone, but the only difference is that like 2021, you know, people were fucking longing everything. Like right now, sentiment is pretty bearish. I'm not saying like, you know, it's necessarily based on sentiment or whatever. I don't really care. But I could see Bitcoin hang around here while, you know, developing its PO3 and alts move. Because like, man, I do think money needs to come back in. So maybe it's not going to come into Bitcoin, but maybe it'll do that on alts.
So here's the thing, like we're also like topping out aggressively on the Nasdaq and the S&P as well.
Yeah, that's true.
Every higher high looks like dog shit.
Yeah, that's true.
Right.
That's true. That part is
So like
definitely
the
true.
market as a whole looks like it's just ready to like deep dive into the abyss.
I'm ready for the 4-year cycle to be over and we have 4 years of a bear market and it's literally straight down and everybody loses everything. I don't want everyone to lose everything, but
never actually 4 years though. Like it's not like people always, I don't know. It's like it's always 1 year for crypto. Like I know
no,
people
it's,
say,
yeah, it's 3 years. It's 3 years up and 1 year down.
1 year
What
down.
I'm saying
3 years
is,
up, 1 year down. Yeah.
what I'm saying is that the cycle's been broken since Bitcoin hit all-time high pre-halving. So to me, this is just my
You might get an
opinion.
extended bear market.
This is just my
Yeah, we could.
opinion. Looking at historical cycles is like, to me, it's Mickey Mouse because I don't think that, like, I think the cycle's been broken since pre-halving. I said it from 2 years ago that the cycle's broken. So what I'm saying is now, instead of 1 year of bear, I'm down for 4 years of bear and everybody just gets fucked up.
Yeah.
Like I'm down for a super bear cycle. We've been non-stop up.
It could happen if traditional markets go to shit.
Well, that's what it could. Yeah, exactly. And
'Cause, I mean-
funny, was this time around though? Like, maybe I'm wrong, but I don't remember. I can't listen. I'm going by memory here, guys. But I don't recall Bitcoin putting in an all-time high when the S&P is still making higher highs before. Like that to me is like a massive bearish SMT. You know what I mean? Like I don't think that was the case last time around. I really don't.
Yo, what's up, Alex O Cryptos people? What's up, Army Piper? Welcome. Glad to have you all here. Financial crisis. Yeah, I agree with that. The financial crisis thing. Look, we'll see. Like for me, I agree with you, Phoenix. I think like I'm 90% cash right now. And you know, I'm gonna sell my last 10%. Like I think it's scary being in right now. Like I just think cash is gonna be king.
I know one thing. If we start breaking 74K bearishly, you're not going to see me with big money on any kind of exchange. I'm going to be I'll be putting it on, taking it up before I go to bed.
That's a good point. Actually, you know what? It'll probably be before that, because who knows, bro? When Michael Saylor has to sell and liquidate, and then he gets put behind bars inevitably for his Ponzi scheme, like there's going to be shit left, right, center going down and whatever the fuck.
His pants at a Michael Saylor interview.
It'll happen way sooner than if we hit 74K, I think. So that's a good point. You're gonna have to remind me that we got to take money off the exchanges.
I'm not leaving much on there. No way. I'll leave like 30K tops, and then I'll just crank the leverage up, and then I'll put like 30K on different exchanges. But Hyperliquid will be fine because you keep your money in your wallet, I think.
Yeah. I mean, I'm down, man. Like, I don't know what the fees are, but
they're like double or triple what we're used to paying. But
it's safe. It's
so much
safe,
safer.
though.
It's way safer. The only problem is like you're not going to be able to take the same trades that you're used to taking, like $100 risk, like $100 stop. I mean, you could, but if you get stopped out at BE all the time, like trying to get like one home runner, like you know, it's going to get hurt. You're going to hurt. We're going to hurt.
Isn't decentralized exchanges, it means you have an exact stop loss though? Like what I mean by that is, isn't your stop loss guaranteed? I could be wrong, but I thought your stop loss is guaranteed.
I don't think so.
I thought like the whole point of it being decentralized is you have a guaranteed stop loss. Like, you know, here sometimes your stop loss can fail and you might have like slippage and shit. I think you have a guaranteed stop loss on that. I could be wrong. Somebody in the chat, if you know the answer to that. What about Antarctic? Yeah, Antarctic is similar.
Oh, I know.
Right?
My buddy, he got triggered on his stop losses on Antarctic a bunch of times when he shouldn't have. And
no, I'm not saying when you shouldn't have. I'm saying sometimes stop losses fail and you get like liquidated instead or whatever. Like sometimes you'll get an email.
That happened to him on Antarctic. So
okay. Oh, here it says stop loss can fail too on dexes. Okay, interesting.
But what I was gonna say is, as far as like entry costs go, you could lose. Okay, so for example, bro, like right now, what is it, like 100 and maybe like 100, I don't know, maybe $120 USD to open 10 BTC, or like $150.
Yeah, let's just say $100 every 10.
That was 120 on that. Okay, yeah, let's say 100.
Whatever, just for easy numbers. Let's just say
okay. So on Hyperliquid, like if you're on Bybit, bro, that's like, if you're not like a big VIP member and you're marketing in, that's like $400 or $500.
Yeah, and that's just one way.
That's one way. That's insane. Like that's what I'm saying. Like you have to like be sure of what you're doing. You're not in and out trading. You have to commit to that trade if you're paying that much for fees, right? Like there's no, oh my god, I'm changing my mind, because you're gonna feel the pain very quickly.
Yeah. You got to be committed to it, which kind of like is not good for me. Sometimes it takes me a couple.
Why are we ignoring top exchanges like Binance, bro? We can't. We're Canadians, man. We can't trade on Binance.
Yeah, we're Canadian.
We're banned. That was my favorite exchange, bro. Even though I was a very high VIP level with Binance, and my fees were, I think the standard fee is like 0.04 over there, but I was paying like half that or less when I was using BNB to pay the fees, because I was a high VIP level. And even as like, and I was pretty tight with like even their customer service team, man. Like they fucking sent me bonuses and shit all the time, like big ones. And they were always good to refund me if something went sour. Like they refunded me like 30K one day. And actually, I don't even think I deserved the refund, but they gave it to me, and I was like, okay, I'll take that, due to slippage. But what happened was Canada like got in a big argument with them. I guess they were asking the Canadian government to like fork over all their user data, and CZ he's Canadian, right? Partially Canadian, and he's like,
I didn't even know that.
Yeah, he's like, nah, I'm not gonna do that. Thank you very much. Like, the way they were like demanding it, he didn't like that, so he just told him to F you, basically. Long story short, and they just deleted all the Canadian accounts. So poof, gone.
Poof.
But they did let you withdraw. Like they gave you like so many months of withdrawal, right? So it just sucked because that was my favorite platform by a mile. I hardly ever got slippage there. You know, Binance is still my top tier exchange. Like if I could trade on there, even though it's higher fee, I'd pick that over any exchange. Absolutely.
It's just, but Binance is the most liquid one, right?
Oh,
Like, it's
by a
more-
mile.
It's more liquid than Bybit.
Oh, way more. Way more.
Mm.
And they actually show the proof of funds, like, you know, they're backed up properly. They're not.
Yeah,
scamming.
Canada sucks with everything though, bro. Like Canada.
Well, we're not even allowed to own USDT in Canada. Technically, it's a security. Like platforms can't like you can't even deposit USDT onto a platform. You got to switch it to USDC. That's so dumb.
Yeah, Canada. Canada. Like even with our gambling rules and shit, you know, we can't play poker online and whatever else.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, now you do.
Well.
Okay, check this out. Can you see my screen or no?
Yeah.
Okay, this gray box is a 45-minute or breaker block. It's actually a 45-minute double breaker.
Double breaker?
Yeah, like we went through two. Seriously?
Okay.
Hold on, I'm trying to fucking find it. Okay, right here, see?
Oh, I'm watching your YouTube clip. That's why I couldn't see it. Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm streaming. You
What are
see
you
that?
doing? Your bro got a workout going on to get over there.
Yeah, seriously.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
Okay, that's where we came to. Here. I don't know if we hit it. Dude, they need to make an easier way to scroll. That's what we hit. I don't know if we hit that. Anyway, whatever. And then look at where we're at now.
Yeah, it's trying to hold it. Yeah, I wouldn't really want to lose that zone, you know?
If the lowest I will allow Bitcoin to go before I start freaking out is here, but I don't even want it. I don't even want it to go. I don't even want it to go there.
Shouldn't really go there though. Like that's kind of like my zone. If we get the PO3 back test, like that's where I expected the back test after the manipulation.
Yeah.
You know, like that's
like something like
that's
this,
your lower
like,
low lower eye zone.
Like here, and then boom, and then boom, and then boom.
Yep. That's it. Exactly what happened in 22, man, and everything's been playing out perfectly so far, so we'll see. I don't think anybody realizes how similar Bitcoin is literally repeating itself, bro. It's crazy. Like the overall context, the narrative, the candle for candle price action from the all-time high of 69K down to like 30K versus 126 down to like 80. It's all the same. Like you have to be blind to not see it. Like look on the 4 hour, look on the daily, like it's the same.
Yeah.
Even the range we're in right now has the same like liquidity curve up from the low at 80K that we had from like 30 some K or 40 some K back then, you know? It's crazy.
Okay,
bro.
1 sec. I'm gonna bring Alex in. So I'm gonna join the call on the call that I just added you guys in the DMs. Let's all go there.
All right.
Alex O Crypto.
Yo.
What's up?
What up, twin?
What up?
What's
My
up,
guy
blood?
smoked his head, man.
What's up, blood?
What up?
How you doing, bro?
I'm okay, man. My kid just smoked his head.
Your kid?
Yeah.
Oh shit, is he okay?
Yeah, I was live streaming and all he heard was boom. And then I was like, what the hell? And he like fell backwards and hit his head off the corner of the friggin' wall.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Bro, I was just
Sorry,
live
Mike.
streaming in Jason's and my kid was like having like a cough attack behind me. And I was like, oh shit.
Oh, damn.
Yo.
You get a new crib, Alex? Place is looking nice, man.
Yeah, no, I'm actually house hunting. Just what a stressful experience house
Wait,
hunting is.
Why?
Because I'm waiting for the market to crash so I can buy my pimp my crib, you know?
Me too.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you're in a speakeasy.
Which province are you in, Alex?
I'm in Alberta now. I was literally Gio's neighbor, and but
How far are you?
Ontario
Like,
is-
are you in the sticks or are you in like Edmonton area?
I'm in the mountains.
Okay, how far away is Grand Cache from there?
Grand
Or Grand Prairie?
Prairie, Alberta. I think you're far, bro.
Oh, is that? Oh, okay, you're in a different spot then.
I'm
All
not
right,
over
guys.
in Jasper.
I just wanted to hop in real
Yeah,
quick.
you're like 7
Alex,
hours from me.
Oh wow.
listen, good to see you. I'm hitting the sack. I gotta drive tomorrow, like 8.5 hours, but I just wanted to pop in and say what's good.
Take
real
care,
quick.
Okay,
James.
we'll see you tomorrow. By the way, real quick before you go, did you see that we like took screenshots of you and you fell asleep on stream or
Oh
You
yeah,
see-
I slept last night.
Yeah,
right?
bro. You see what Mickey Mouse did to you, bro?
Yo, we fucking added all this like AI to you, bro.
That ass,
I love the
really?
Mickey Mouse shit, yo.
Did you really? For real?
Yeah, look at the chat.
In
Always had a
which-
blast with that one.
Yeah, we posted like 15 pictures of you, guy.
Yeah, bro.
What? I was asleep.
Those
How long did
scroll-
I sleep for?
Dude, you were out
Dude,
the
fell
whole
asleep
time.
on video chat, bro.
Yeah, you fell
No
asleep.
way.
Yeah, I swear, bro.
Wait, what
They
chat am
even
I?
sent them
I
to
felt
me
like we
too,
were
man.
in
You
a
should see your
relationship,
pic-
like falling
Send them
asleep
to Alex,
on.
bro. Send them to Alex.
You
Show
know
him.
when you pass it at a party?
That's
Oh,
exactly
I
right.
Dude,
you got
we-
Elon Grok to put you in a bikini, and we started drawing on your face with Grok and shit.
That's exactly like virtually what we did. He fell asleep at the party. He got KO'd.
Dude, I literally don't even know what chat you're talking about. I don't see
Yeah, I'm
any.
about to
Bro, we
find out what
posted
to
like
say, but I'm about to
500
send them in here.
pictures, dude. Scroll up.
Yep.
You got
that's
internet bullied, man.
I don't even care. Fuck you guys, bro.
Oh, do you see it now?
Yeah. I see one.
They're all there. Here, I'll tag you on the first one, or I'll here go. That's your first picture, and then we made you gay, and then we made you, and then and then we made you Stitch, and then we had Mickey Mouse draw on your face.
Yo, you guys are stupid. Oh, the Stitch one. Yeah, yo.
That means
That's
they love
funny.
you, bro. If they didn't make fun of you, they didn't like you. But yeah,
I was
Mickey
really
was-
out cold in the
You're
fucking
lucky
call.
Mickey didn't take down his pants. Their whole week was ready.
No, he did. We just didn't screenshot that part.
Yeah.
That's too funny,
Funny, bro.
Crazy, bro.
bro. That's a huge cock in his face.
Mm-hmm.
Bro. Pause.
Black
They even
too.
gave- They even gave you the ball chinian, bro.
You guys are fucking idiots.
He's laughing. He can't help it.
You had a girl passed out in high school at a party, and we wrote like a 10-cent hoe on her eyelids. So every time she blinked, she had no idea. Like she got up later on in the party, and every time she blinked, it said 10-cent hoe. It was so funny, man.
That's
Nobody told
hilarious.
her.
No way.
10
I
cent
fucking-
hoe.
You guys are drawing shit on me, bro. All right. Whatever. Listen. Anyways, good night. I'll talk to you guys.
One love.
See you boys. Take it easy.
Crazy, crazy. Yeah, that's funny. That was
I'm gonna,
hilarious.
I'm gonna take credit for you holding your trade last night, Gio. That's all I got, man.
Bro, I've been holding shit lately because I've been such a permeable lately. I said it from 45 days ago. I haven't shorted, dude. I'm just like, we're going to 96. We're going to 96. We're going to 96. I got every single pump and I missed every single dump for the last 45 days. We
Yeah,
finally
right.
made it, and now I feel free. Like I can start trading in bull. I don't know. I just couldn't get it out of my head that we weren't going to 45K. It just made no sense to me. This morning, I told the Nexus, I was like, I don't even have any short. Like, I'm not even going to try to find any shorts because I know we're going to 96 today. There's no shorts. I'm not shorting anything. I was like, I didn't even, you know how you say you can't, like, okay, nothing's ever going to be 100%, obviously. Like, I told them, I'm like, I can't even imagine a scenario where there's a short today. Like, as close to me saying that 100% as possible, I'm like, there's nothing to short today. Nothing. Fucking long it, and that's it.
Yeah, since that sweep at like 9 o'clock, it's been obvious. I think. Like we had that sweep this morning.
Yeah.
And then gone. But even last night, man, like I'd be up like 70K right now, but I just didn't hold, man. I was like 1.5 mil long from 137.8, man. Like on Solana, I caught the low. So
you got Solana?
Yeah.
137.8 last night, man. 1.5 mil long, and I closed it at like 140, like a fucking jump.
Shit, man, I got stopped out in the Asia Open last. I took a big. I was in for over 3 mil long on Bitcoin, and
Never seen 3 mil on Bitcoin. That's sick.
not risking. I mean, at my position size, I was in a 3 mil. Like I was gonna add in, right? And it was the Asia Open, and Gio's like, "Hey, bro, I'm long." I'm like, "Okay." We're like, "Yeah, I'm looking for something." I didn't go in when he said it. And I was just waiting for a little bit better of a confirmation, and then I got in a little bit higher up than him, right on the Asia low. And then
because Bitcoin looked strong last night,
even, bro. I put my stop to break even. I dozed off, and I heard ding. I was like, "Fuck!"
Tag.
And sure enough, they accumulated right on my level, like right on my break even level. They took me out of break even. So then it pumped up again. It held the VWAP, and I seen that like back test of the VWAP. So I tried it again, and I dozed off, bro. And then I didn't hear the second ding. Like it came right back for my entry, and like. Why the fuck did it come back?
That accumulation at 90,000, 91,000 right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Right on the first VWAP claim. It came right back for the VWAP again, bro. I got stopped.
Way stronger, too. Yeah, no, that was it. Because Solana came all the way back down for the low. That's why I grabbed Solana.
Sol's been moving nicely. I like Sol.
I suck at trading Solana, man. I'll admit to it, though. I suck at it.
Sol clock.
I find they always like come back for things like, okay, I took a Solana, oh my God, a Solana
tricky.
at the beginning of this Asia low, or sorry, when the fuck did I long that, Gio?
Yesterday?
Right at the low during this session, yeah. And I waited for the breaker reaction. We had a breaker blow, candles. I got in. They fucking came right back for me. Like on the second wick on KSEX, they actually went lower than the 1 minute structure. Swept me out and then went higher. I'm like, you're joking.
Did you have your breaker? Like, did you know there was a breaker there?
Yeah.
Man, we gotta give it a little bit more room.
On Solana, bro. As gay as it sounds, bro, it's all about support and resistance on Solana.
Is that all you use?
All I use is price action and support and resistance, man. And I make so much money on Sol. It's retarded.
So do you use market structure, or like what are you doing?
Market structure only. Market structure, and then like engulfing candles, consolidation areas. So like the thing with Solana is you got to understand that it's a chop and pop product kind of deal. So like it'll sit you there and it'll make you wait until it wants to react, and then once it does, if you're directionally correct, you make tons of money.
Now, what kind of support and resistance levels are you using, though? Are you talking like historical ones, like horizontals?
I use volume nodes, like volume shelf nodes.
Yeah.
All the way through. And then I use critical ones to kind of mark out my ranges. So
you're pulling a fixed range from like so far back, and you're using the high volume nodes.
Yeah, exactly. And then just going through all of that with just making sure that like they continue to match up, but like level to level, it's just on fire. It's actually like a cheat code.
So now how far back are you? Like if let's say tomorrow morning you want to trade Solana, like is that your primary Solana, like over Bitcoin?
Solana's my prime. Yeah. Oh yeah.
You don't let Bitcoin influence your decision on it. Like you're just solely looking.
Bitcoin's confluence. It's like how you would use Nasdaq for Bitcoin, or you use USDT for Bitcoin. Sure. I use Bitcoin for Solana.
Interesting.
And it's gold, man.
Bro, Alex, ever since so in the summer, I think it was in the summer, I asked you for help on entries, and then you sent me that engulfing video. Right. And I watched it, and I just like, I don't know, I didn't really think much of it. And not to say that it didn't work, but I just like, I don't know, I, for whatever reason, stuck on trying to find a fast indicator and whatever. And then recently in the last, I would say couple weeks, I have been using engulfing candles like you taught me, and other
Yeah.
people were teaching me also. So actually what happened was another group of people that we met started like showing us some cool new things. When I say us, I mean Phoenix and I. And I mean not like engulfing candles were new by any means, but like no one taught me fucking engulfing candles, right? So they were bringing it up, and I was like, oh shit, like Alex sent me a video on that. Like, why am I so stupid I didn't listen to him? And I went back and I listened, or like I watched the video again. I actually watched it a few times. And if you haven't noticed, I mean, I'm sure you have, my P&L lately has been fucking insane, right? Ever since 2026, and it's solely because of engulfing candles. I actually just longed this on the low on Sol. I don't know if you longed it or you saw it or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Like I've been,
Yep.
that's
Yeah,
been like,
full
that
div,
is a game
obvious full
changer.
div, but like doji engulfing, entry, stop loss below the low, you're done. And the R multiple is retarded.
It's so, bro, right now alone,
Yeah.
I'm up 7R right now.
That's on 1 minute.
So this
Sorry.
engulfing thing, like, okay, let's be like, well, my highest P&L 2 weeks ago in one trade was 17K. I literally just like 8x that. Crazy,
Yeah, no,
dude.
that's- I'm
Crazy.
proud of you, bro. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. It's
I've
been a
been-
That's how I
really
do
good
all
year
my
for
I've
me.
just
reaction trading.
I've just
with the
been
engulfing
consistent,
candles.
Nelly, man. Like 3K, 5K a day, man. No,
Bro, that's all you need. What do you need more than that for?
it stacks, bro. It's stupid. But no, it's crazy. I shared my soul levels with you guys in the chat, so you guys
Yeah.
have them if you want.
Cool. So I got a question for you, Alex. When you trade that thing you just mentioned with the doji engulfing, what did you mean by that? You mean like a golfing candle, like the ones that kind of like close as like what people call a hammer? Like,
You know, doji is just a small candle, so you don't get a lot of movement on it, right? You don't get a lot, and it's typically bottoming structure. So it look like this in the chat, like any of these areas here.
so the one on the right, the middle one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. It looks like these. These are kind of like nice bottoming structures in here, and it, you know, like the support and resistance levels, obviously fire, but even in here, like you get a support and resistance flip, like where we're trading right now on Solana, right? I have a support and resistance level in there. But you can see how like you dip your toes below the support and resistance, you reclaim it, and then you're just gone, right? Like if you long to that reclaim right here off of that
Is
support
that right
level,
now?
like,
That's right now, right?
yeah, that's right now. And if
Okay,
you
yeah,
long
I
right,
just saw that's my
like
long.
you're in money, right? So
Yes. Yeah. So do you put your when you get into trade on Solana, do you find it's better to keep your stop under the low until it moves far away before you put it to break even, or are you pretty aggressive with break even?
So the trick with Solana, because it's chop and pop, right? So you get consolidations. Like I'll just draw a couple of them out. You get these chop and pop areas where it's like you must get direction right, otherwise you're fucked. Like you can see throughout even the short-term price action in here. You get the chop and pops, right? So like basic rules, you treat the chop like a range, right? So you want.
He's not sharing his screen, guys.
No, I'm looking at his.
No, I know. I'm because the chat's like put him on. If he was on, I would have shared it, but he's not sharing it.
So when it does that thing, you want to treat it like a range, but then the trick that happens with Solana is Bitcoin will move and it will push, right? So you'll get like a beautiful, I can't really explain this without sharing my screen. I shared my screen. So Bitcoin here will move, right? And we'll get like this push up. So it'll start to push like something like this that we just got right here. We'll get something like this. And Solana will follow suit. The problem with that is if you hammer an entry there, Solana always comes back. It does. So if you're aggressive with your stop loss to entry, you can see it like the behavior. It's hard to see it in a regular printed candle because you can't see the behavior within that candle.
Yeah.
So you see the doji engulfing here. I also have I typically take this on a 3-minute or a 1-minute. I have a 30-second front run rule. So like if I'm convinced that we're definitely going to engulf on this candle and I still have 30 seconds on my time indicator over here, I have the right to front run it if I believe it's going to continue, which will allow my entry to be a little bit better. Occasionally, that's a very that's time in the market, I think,
It's an
if you know how to do that,
interesting
right?
rule.
But also, it'll push and it'll be following Bitcoin, but it'll come back and snag you.
That happens to me every time, bro.
Everybody hates that about Solana, so you have to be aware of the snag. I will enter on the snag because then you get the follow through and you're paid instantly.
Now I get snagged later on. Like you see that move to your left right there, your lower left. I got in on the low of that wick right there. I got bottom of the wick on the left there, and then it came back on KSEX. I had my stop under the wick, and it wicked me out by like a penny, and then went off without me. I was like, "There's no way."
And it took off here, yeah.
Yeah.
So this is where. Once you have this area in here, so like this is your bull div, this is your follow through, this is your continuation here, right? So this, you let this develop here. This is your range. You want to let this develop. You don't want to enter this until you're here. That's the key, is the chop. You don't want to enter anywhere in here. You want to enter here. You don't want to enter anywhere in here. You want to enter on these last two candles. So this is the chop zones that I talk about, right? It'll tell you the decision, right? You know that this is coming back and testing this order block here. Like that's obvious, right? So you're just waiting for that order block tap, right? Order block tap, first tap's the best tap, off you go, money, you're paid, right? It's that kind of thought. So it's like I'm extremely patient, so like I just wait for this thing to develop, and Bitcoin will give you like signals. Bitcoin will like start to make higher highs and higher lows in here because it's not Solana. Solana will just chill, right? If you can get direction right either way, right, you can take advantage of that. Like, and that's my basis to trading it. And then like you go through the support and resistance. Like, I mean, it's pretty obvious how well it works if you know what you're doing for price action. Look at last night, reclaim, continuation trade, SFP of the low right down here. Boom. I got long literally right here last night, right? Took profit here, reclaim added here, right? Closed it out here, went to bed, pissed off that I closed it, but I mean, great. That's trading, right? So, I mean, I was tired as fuck, and I was up like $4,000 last night. So happy days while watching the Leafs game, whatever.
There you go.
So basically, Solana does a lot of like Model 1s and Model 2s, like low time frame, I guess, is what Alex is saying. I haven't noticed it, but that's a good take. Like, I do trade
I've been getting stopped out, bro. I've been getting stopped out constantly. Clearly, I'm entering in the wrong fucking part of the move, or I should have my stop wider.
Well, now we know that it's gonna do that. We know how to trade ranges, so we just look for the lower time frame. Like when you see this,
lower time frame,
just think now, because Solana always comes back. Be like, all right, well, this little range could have been a Model 2, which it was, right? You got stopped out. Here was your third tap, and then up and away you go. So now that we know that, thank you for the tip, Alex. Now that we know that,
no worries, bro.
We can look out for it.
I didn't notice that. I don't see. I only traded Solana. Like I can count on two hands with how many times in the last. Well, I don't even know how many years old Solana is, but I've been trading crypto for like 7, maybe 8 years now. Like full hands on deck, and I never really got too interested in it, man. I don't know why. I just never did. And I guess like the times that I've traded it, I guess it's because I keep getting stopped at break even.
Yeah, it's frustrating too, because it takes its time and then it pops, right? So it's like
every shot
that time in there. Like the problem with the time in those choppy areas is that you're thinking, right? And you're thinking, and it's an emotional thought, because like we trade size here, so it's like you're sitting there and maybe you're in the middle of the range and it chops down and up and down. That's a $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 drawdown, right? In a trade, where if you wait, you're directionally right, and you wait for the end of that chop, and then you hammer it, and then you put your stop loss below that range low that's developed, and then you get paid, right? So it's a lot less stressful when you let it kind of develop. Like even right now that we're rolling over, there's no trade here yet. Like either we're sweeping the next low or we're going to chop here. consolidate, come back up, retest the lows of the previous little chop,
You're,
and then
you're
roll over.
scalping. Like this, the picture you sent me, or you showed us. I mean, where you're like in and out. You're like literally in and out when you scalp. Sorry, when you scalp.
I'm quick. Like all my trades $500, $700, $1,000, but I like bang, 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 bang. Stop loss entry paid. Like my win rate's crazy, right? So I don't take a lot of drawdowns. I mean, I just shared my last whatever 8 trades or whatever. It's all Solana. It's all chop and it's all quick scalps, right?
Now, are you like it's just like what's your? Do you have it like? Are you using like 1% risk per trade kind of thing, and you're able to calculate that ahead of time, or like what are you doing? Just kind of estimating? Because I noticed your quantity is different on every one.
Yeah, so I have a fixed rate where now I've been half a position size about 400,000 and then full position size 1.2 mil. General stop loss is about 0.3% and then looking to make 0.5 to 1% with a runner. So
Gotcha. Now, do you risk it though? You do go stop to break even very quickly, I imagine, with those scalps.
very quickly, yes, very quickly. As soon as I've hit target 1, which is typically the next level where I look to like short back into it.
Man, I held 3.5 overnight and all day. Shit, dude.
Yeah, man.
The numbers fluctuate.
Too, I'm pissed at myself.
XMR just took the all-time high again. Interesting.
Bro, you know what I do, Alex? What might help you? Because like when I have clear conviction that we're going higher,
yeah,
like I'll just say, you know what? Like for me, fuck making like $800. Like fuck that. I'll just like, I'll go for like, okay, 10K or whatever, or 0. Like right now, I'll give you a perfect example. Right now I'm long on Solana, okay? I have an idea of what could happen. I'm risk off right now. I'll go risk back on. I don't care. I'll go risk back on. If it does this and I see what I want to see, I'll go risk back on. And my target is the range high. And actually my target is 150. So I'll hold it up to that. If I get stopped out, whatever, I make $300. If I don't, then I make like 15K. And I think like this is just my mentality right now. Like fuck the 300. I don't care about this. So I'll risk back on. I don't care if I see what I want to see. If I can get when we hit up here to 30K instead of 15K while still risking, well, right now I'm $300 profit no matter what, right? But I'll risk, you know, whatever, 300, 400, 500. I'll put risk back on if it means I can hit this, if I have conviction that we're going to this number.
Yeah, so you'll add. That makes sense to me. Yeah, I've always struggled with holding trades. That's why I've learned to trade the way I do. I'm definitely working on it. Like, I think, but I don't want to size down because then if I size down, I really don't give a fuck about the trade, you know?
Yeah.
Like,
no, you gotta size up.
Right? Like I'm hitting 7, 8, 9, 10K trades when I hit full TPs and stuff, right? So it's like I'm not hitting the big trades either. Like that's a nice trade for me, especially when I've stacked 4 $3,000 trades before that, right? So
it's tough, bro. Like, you know, I bet you thrived in December and shit, and like because the chop was so bad, but you take profit. I fucking don't.
Yeah, I lived in that shit, bro. I was swimming in money, but I managed to flip short in November. That was my biggest, but everybody says I don't short, and I was like, okay, let's see your P&L for November when it was down only.
Yeah. Dude, I was, even me, I'm the perma bear, and I did not do well in November. I did not do well in November.
You're like,
bro, Alex.
Yeah.
Diamond Palm said that Alex, we all know you don't have no damn runner. Is that true?
See, Alex tells.
Have you ever seen a midget run, bro? It's like Usain Bolt could beat me with his doing a handstand, bro.
Dude, Alex tells the Otter gang that he leaves a runner. Geo tells the Nexus it's time to TP, and neither of us do it.
Hey, man. At the end of the day, profitable traders who aren't taking people's money and trying to just give them triangles and shit, you know?
Yeah, or really ugly Model 1s, you know, too.
So, I'm big on honesty and transparency, man, and there's only so few doing it, man. So
Yeah, like here for the chat, I mean, I will 100 million% go risk back on this trade. I don't care. If I see what I want to see. So far, I've drawn out exactly what I wanted to see. I would say it's following it decently. Let's see. If I see what I want to see here, I'm going to go risk back on. Because right now, if it hits my TP, like worst case, I make 300. Best case, I make 15K. Let's change those numbers. Worst case, I lose, let's say 300. Best case, I make 30K. I will go risk back on here if I see what I want to see. If I don't see what I want to see, then I won't take the trade. Obviously.
You like that block there.
Yeah, this is a nice block. We're good here. This should not need to go, in my opinion. These lows should not. If this goes, then the whole idea is a bust anyways. This, you have your little range. So maybe this is your chop, and then we're going to get our pop. I just want to see one more low. If I see an engulfing candle here, I'm longing it. And I want to see a reaction here. The better trade is this. This happens. Then we pop up. We break this, but we don't just break that. Here, let me draw it perfectly. This, then this, then this, then this. And this is your trade. This is a very high probability trade. That's the best case scenario.
Break?
I wouldn't enter on the break. I would get in on a mitigation, and then I would get in on an engulfing candle here.
That makes sense, yeah.
And then, so let's just say hypothetically, okay. I mean,
bouncing off the golden pocket.
That didn't hit my level, but
I know how much you love a golden pocket.
Yeah, fuck that. Let's just, okay, so this is still doing what I wanted to do. It's coming, it's hitting this. Now I'm going to see if somebody's home here. There's two things that could happen. If this gets hit, it's not really, like if we reject from here now, it's not the easiest to trade. I would still probably rather it come take the low and then flip. In this case, I would need to see structure. I would not take an engulfing candle. Otherwise, if this candle just shoots straight up and breaks this breaker, then on the back test of the breaker, I would long an engulfing there. Had I got in down, like let's just say it did come down here and I went risk back on, right? So now my numbers are worst case plus 300, best case plus 15K. If it did this and then I got in and now it would be worst case, let's say minus 200, best case plus 30K. And then I see what I want to see over here. I will re-risk again. I'll go, okay, worst case minus 500, best case plus 45K. But that's all within my risk amount. Like I'm allowed to risk 500 per trade. I'm actually right now allowed to risk approximately like, because I'm starting to do 2% risk now. So if I choose to, I'm allowed to risk 4K per trade. So if I can, you know, double and triple my target P&L while not doubling and tripling my risk amount, I'll take that trade any day. It's like doubling down on blackjack almost, but you're not doing double the risk. You're doing a fraction of the risk for double and triple and quadruple the reward. That's how I got into these big trades. I re-risked. And this is a new concept to me. I'm not like, I haven't been normally doing that, but I'm re-risking. I'm also flirting with the idea of getting into a position and then cranking your fucking leverage and then re-risking with the new capital because you cranked your leverage. It's almost like exponentially compounding. That's what I'm like not just compounding over trades, but compounding internally on existing trades. So this did what I wanted it to do. It didn't actually come down and sweep that low. I do need to still be mindful of this order block. There's no trade here now for me. There is definitely somebody home here, right? There's this breakers. We're reacting off of it, but I don't have enough conviction to enter anything here. And if we come down like this with structure and then we do this, then I will long it. But if that doesn't happen, then I would need to see maybe like this. I would need to see something. I need to see a break here and then a back test or something, an accumulation. But right now I don't see anything that I like. Okay. How long have we been live for? I think it's time, man. I'm tired. This is my third stream of the day. This one is 3 hours alone. My next stream this morning. Let me see how long my streams were today. So 3 hours plus. Let's see all my streams. 3 hours plus 1 hour plus 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I streamed for 5.5 hours today. Fuck, dude.
It's exhausting, isn't it?
Yeah, man. And I've been so mentally drained trying to hit this damn long.
You're gonna
You
come
hit that
up
shit,
right now,
though.
you'll be able to
I
close
hit it, bro. I hit it. Like, but fuck, man. It was 40 days of this.
Man, 40. Bro, Alex, I don't think you understand, bro. I sit on a call with this guy every day. It's been 40 days of 96K today and mooning all day. All
Yeah,
day.
man. I've been
Just-
holding trades and round tripping shit. And I'm like, no, it's fucking going here. Everybody's wrong. And they're like, Gio, put it to rest. And I'm like, everyone's wrong. You're all idiots. It's going here 100%.
It's good though. At least you have a. It's good to have someone contrarian too, right? Like it's important
Oh, absolutely.
because then
Man.
we can both wean out what the probabilities and what the chances of you being wrong is, and
Yeah, 100%.
conviction is very important too, right? I mean,
100%. At the end of the day, it's not about being right or wrong. It's about making money. And as long as we do that, like I could be wrong, but there's no trade, or I could be right and there's no trade, and vice versa.
That's
You
it,
know,
man.
I don't really care.
get paid.
That's
what
it.
we're
But
here
the
to
best days, Gio, is when you're right and you make money, you know? And that's your
This
day
time,
job.
I stood on business on this one, man.
That's it, man.
Like this one was truly, you know, a couple times in the last year I stood on business. This one was it. So I'm proud of myself this time. Anyway, I think it is time to fucking go to bed.
Yeah, I need to
Yeah,
sleep
man,
if I'm
man.
going to wake
Gonna
up
go
and trade
chill with
London.
my hot wife.
Go chill with your hot wife. Hope your kiddo feels better.
You'll be alright, man.
I will, YouTube people, thank you for tuning in. Make sure to hit the like button on your way out if we provide you any value. 3-hour stream. We took this trade live together. Unfortunately, we round tripped like 40% of it. But there will be new trades. Tomorrow is a new day, and I will see you guys on the other side. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay wealthy, and one love.
Set my heart on fire.